Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, Goshai Marhaba. Today is 7th of March, Saturday, and we're going to continue our material master class. And hopefully, we'll complete the material master today so that we can start business partner from tomorrow. Yesterday, we also had a 2 hours class, I think, on material master. So I will post the recording tonight sometime. So whenever you get a time, you can watch that. So it is a continuation from the yesterday's class. Let me share my screen here. And okay, you can see my screen. Okay, so we need to, yeah, this is from the yesterday's class. Um, so today, what is that? 7th March. So we're going to complete the unit of measure. We started yesterday, but we didn't completed the configuration side. So we'll do it today. I figured it out what was missing yesterday. So we'll do that. Then we will also go through what else we have said. Yeah, mass data maintenance. We'll do that, mass data maintenance. Then we have also the shelf life. So we are still in material master, just to remember. Today is all about material master. Today is the last class of material master because material master is it's a huge topic. So you need to understand that it's you cannot skip this shortcut. This, yeah. So this is material master is going on. And 7th March. What else I have here in material master? Let me think about that. Yeah, the total lead time is another important topic I want to cover today. Total lead time, how it is set up here. Then we have what else we have here? Let me see. The so
The
we
shelf life.
shelf life is there. I wrote it already. You saw shelf life. Okay. You
Yes,
see
sir.
this one shelf life. Yeah, I have done that. Then here we have change. Yeah, that's also very important. Master data change management. Yeah, so change master record. What it means. That's important for if somebody is sending a request to change a material master, then how you track that is important. I think material status we have covered, but we can just quickly see if we miss something. But I remember we have covered the material. We have covered a FIFA, yeah, the material status. I think we have covered it.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
We've covered.
yes, covered. Okay, let's keep that out. Okay, and then we have what else we have? So we covered that part, and let me see. Da, 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 da. Yeah, this is another good T code I want to show you is T code OMCQ. This is, if something comes as a warning and you want that to be changed to an error, how you will do that. Yeah, if something, we are entering something and it shows as a warning or an error, how you change that, set as a warning or set as an error, that's message. So this is also important to remember that with the message come, how you do that. So I will show you that also. Then what else I have here before I forget? Da, da, da. What is material status? Yeah, purchase value key, all that we covered yesterday. We covered all that. Material group we covered yesterday. So that part is already covered. Material master. Yeah, extend. I think I told you extend. You know how you extend um, material master FIFA. You remember that? Did you cover
Sir,
that?
from T code
Yeah.
MM01.
Yeah, MM01 exactly. So we'll do that also here. Yeah, extend part. Yeah, and if the views are missing, then you extend the views. Yeah, so extend views.
Yes,
You
sir.
remember that MM02. Yeah, extend views. Yeah, how you do the
Yes, sir.
extend views?
Sir, we'll do it from MM01 only.
MM01 only. Yeah, extend views also. Yes, MM. So we will do that. So those are the two important. So one is the you are copying from material master from one plant to another plant. Yeah, this one. So from
Yes, sir.
yeah, so from one plant to another plant, and then this one is about you have material and then you are extending the views here. Yeah, extend views. Yeah, so those are also important. Yeah, good morning, Srinivas. Good morning. So that we will cover that today. Okay, so I'm just listing down all the topics in the material master is remaining for us to cover. Then we have, mm, and then we will go through all the, an overview of the um, all the important fields we have not discussed. Yeah, so that some other things will come out of that important fields in different views. Yeah, how about that? Yes. Okay, so this is a list I have. So let's start from unit of measure. Srinivas, I saw yesterday what we were doing in unit of measure and where we are missing. So I have my notes now, and I will show you that. Uh, Yesterday Srinivas attended, so that's why. Okay, let me share my screen on the other side also. Da 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 da. I am, and let me sign up here in the this one. I think it is gone now. Yeah, let me sign up here also. Okay. Uh, okay, and one more thing. From tomorrow we have a class. Tomorrow we will do business partner. That's why I want to cover the material master today, so we can start fresh. Uh, Business partner tomorrow, and I'm planning to have like two classes in the weekdays. That will be Monday and Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. EST. Thursday is very hectic for me because I go to the office also. So coming back from the office is quite late for me to prepare for the class. So Thursday, Friday is not good for me because I go to office. So Monday, Wednesday evening I bit relaxed. So Monday, Wednesday will be 8:30 p.m. Will be our class, um, and then we have Saturday, Sunday regular 10 a.m. class. So yeah, from Monday onwards we'll continue. So tomorrow we'll do the business partner, and we need at least 2 3 classes to do the complete configuration of a business partner. It's not a small topic, and if you rush you will miss it, and it's the most complicated topic in SAP S4 HANA because it was not available in ECC. So many consultants with ECC background, they struggle with the business partner. So we need to go in detail on that topic, CVI integration and all. So so we will tomorrow we'll start that, and then I will continue that on Monday and Wednesday. Hopefully by Wednesday it will be complete. Then the next Saturday coming, we will kind of start the other master data, source list, quota arrangement, info record, all those if something is remaining, then maybe we'll cover that on Saturday and business partner, but hopefully it will be complete by that. Okay, so that's the one I want to share. Second thing is that tomorrow, the class at 10 o'clock, I'm doing tomorrow LinkedIn live show. So I'm preparing for that. I'm going to post today in LinkedIn. This is about SAP S4HANA and Cloud Co-work AI, how to use AI to do all the sort of supply chain analysis work using SAP data or non-SAP data. It's a big thing. So I'm prepared now, tested it. So tomorrow I'm going to do a LinkedIn live show. Planning to do from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. So it will go 1 hour on that. Then we take a 10 minutes break, and then I will come back, and then we start our business partner class. So tomorrow's class we start at around 11 a.m. EST, not 10 a.m. because of my LinkedIn live show, and I need some break between that. So yeah, so I request you all who are attending and who are watching recording, maybe if I post the recording on time, that you attend the live show. It is very important. The future, not future, the present of SAP consulting career is understanding how to use AI. Without AI, you will not get a job. And second thing is that you need to know what AI can do and what you can do. If you are learning something which AI can do, then it's good to know. As I'm not saying that you don't learn, stop learning. No, you learn how to do a uh, uh, multiplication. Yeah, like 2 times 2 is 4. That's good to know, but calculator is doing for you. That's how to do a configuration, how to do analysis is all very important topics you learn. But you also need to know that now we have an advanced calculator AI which will do it for you. So you need to know that also. You cannot say, oh, I don't need a calculator, I can still do 2 times 2 is equal to 4. No, you cannot do that. That's advanced multiplication, 7 digit, 10 digit, 50 digit. You cannot multiply in your head. So you need a, so AI is like that. It's taking over. Okay. So enough of that. So I would definitely recommend you all to attend the uh, tomorrow's LinkedIn live show. Um, it will be a great show. Okay. Srinivas, everything going good? Okay. Then I have here, I'm sharing my screen. Srinivas, I see your video is on.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
It's going good, sir.
Okay, going good. Okay. So yeah, we'll come complete the unit of measure. There was a little bit of glitch I understood yesterday night after the class. So before I show you there, let me share with you my notes, and I'm going to post it in the Google Drive for all of you. So, very important, and you need to have your own notes, but I'm going to show you. If you see my screen here, this is the stop sharing here, and then you can see it here. Yeah. Okay. So this is how I have kept, see my notes, like important links. This is from the SAP user community. Wherever I see somebody has posted very good notes, I take the link and I keep it here in my notes. You see, all those topics and links, I based on the 2 years I'm teaching this class, wherever I see something, you don't have to go to Google search again and again. You see, you should do all that. See, I have all those notes. I will share these notes, this file in the Google Drive for the students. So anybody watching the recording and who has enrolled, they can take this. Yeah, and it's very useful. I've highlighted in yellow here the topics which is part of the material master. So we should definitely go through these ones. Then tomorrow we'll go the business partner side and then other ones here. But focus on the material master type. Okay, so that's important. Another thing is that whenever I see some PDF documents available and it's good for our course, then what I do, I save it. I have many of them. I have more than, I think, 40, 50 of them is available in the internet. So whenever I see something good, then I publicly available. Definitely, I'm not showing anything which is privately purchased. I don't do that. But if something is publicly available, for sure. For example, this is a very good document on mass maintenance. It's a very good document. We'll go through that. So this also I will save uh, in um in Google Drive, so you all can see that. So this another one I have is the material status. Yeah, so wherever I see, you will see some documents like this, and you will see I am updating this and keep on revising in the Google Drive, so that what is this going on. Okay, this is something I want to show you. Okay, now then let's go through this, and then we test in all of these in the SAP. Okay, so the first one is if you go here, and let's start with the unit of measure. Yeah, so unit of measure, and all those links are there. I just showed you in the Excel file all those links. Okay, so you click on that, open it, and you will see all that. Yeah, this is my way of learning, so that it's easy. Okay, so now we discussed about order unit, sales unit. We discussed about the this way order unit, sales, base unit. We know base unit. I showed you that order unit in the purchasing side, sales unit, how you want to sell. We will see this today. It is in the sales org data in material master. Then unit of issue. Yeah, we will see this one, the unit of issue in the WM side of that. Yeah, which material is issued from the warehouse. WM, no, the unit of issue is this one. Allow a material to be sold. That one, and then which we have. So alternative unit of measure. We will go through that. Then we have a order unit and material ordered from the purchasing side. Yeah, we will see that. We have seen already that one. Sales unit, how you sell. Sell in a unit, sell in a box, sell in a case. So we'll see that how it is in the material master setup. Unit of issue, unit of measure in which the material is issued from the warehouse. So how the warehouse issue release the product, maybe for consumption, for production. Yeah, so that can be another one. So we'll see that. And WM unit is a unit of measure in which the material are managed in the warehouse. So this is the WM side. So we will see there's many different of that. So we definitely need to understand. This is the most not I would say most, but it's a very important topic. If you are meeting a business and you as a solution advisor, you need to discuss this in detail, because it's first of all, it's a interdepartmental topic. So you cannot just talk with the buyer and say, oh, I'm done with that. No, you need to talk with the different departments, sales department, warehouse department, production department, inventory department, purchasing department. Then only you will be able to do justification to this unit of measure. Yeah, if you just talk to one user and you say, okay, I'm done, I understood it. No, you didn't understood it. Yeah, I've seen. I was doing one consulting project in here in Canada, and they have an Epicor ERP system, and the problem I found was unit of measure. You cannot believe the system was implemented 10 years back, and they asked me some problems going on in their production, and when I checked the production problem, I saw they have a unit of measure problem, because the way they steel metals, they say the unit of measure in length, cubic feet, meter, all that, it all messed up. The guy who has done the configuration 10 years back, he didn't realize how production consumption happens and how purchasing happens. Yes, Srinivas? So it all messed up. So when I reached that level, and I say, oh, the core problem is the unit of. Oh, so how you know? I say, yeah, this is the problem. We are struggling this for many years now. We thought something is system or whatever. And then, so you say it's easy to solve? No, because then I talk to the Epic or guys, the ERP guys. I say, this is a problem my client is facing, and let's solve this problem. It's a big investment. Why? Like big investment means a good amount of money company will spend. Why? Because you cannot change the unit of measure while the transaction data is there. You have to clean all that, take all that, reset everything, because then you start again. It's like a big thing. You have to do it from the back end. You cannot do it in the front end. Oh no, let me change this guy to this guy. No. Understood, Srinivas, how this problem becomes big when you don't do it first
Yes,
time?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This problem we faced in demand planning.
Yeah.
Okay. In demand planning, we implemented
Yeah.
1 year development.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a big problem.
And people don't realize. They think, oh, it's a unit of measure, very small. No, I tell you, I'm
Yes, sir.
the real example I'm telling you from my consulting here. It's not SAP, it's Epic, but does not matter. You see, at this age and this career level, I am, even though I am a core SAP guy. But for me, does not matter. You give me Epicor, you give me Microsoft Dynamics, you give me Oracle, does not matter. Why?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes.
everything is have the same blah blah. You tell you, yeah. You know,
Yes, sir. Yes.
you understand one in detail. The other ones are just a screen problem. You know, of the front
Yes, sir.
screen. Yeah, I agree,
Yes, sir.
Srinivas? Yeah. So
Yes,
I
sir.
don't.
Yes, sir. You are
I
right.
don't. I don't tell my client, you know, oh, SAP is only. I don't. Sorry, I don't know. You give me. The first time I opened Epicor, I have no idea. I never opened in my life, and they gave me access, and I opened Epicor, and I started checking, and within 2 weeks, I told them, hey, this is the problem I found. Hey, how you found it? Are you an Epicor guy? I said, no, I'm a supply chain guy who understands systems. Agree? I'm a supply
Yes,
chain
sir.
guy who understands system is more important than I am a SAP guy, I'm an Epicor guy, I'm an Oracle guy. No, there's no value of these guys in the future or in present. Yeah?
Yes, sir. You
Yeah.
are right.
Yeah, so you need to, that's why in my class, I'm trying to make my students like that. Okay, so now you understand this is how you need to configure this in SAP, and we will see just now. And the relations of these are very important. And if you don't do it correctly first time, then you will face the problems in the post go live. Big problems, big problems. Okay, so you understood this. We'll see how where it is in the material master and how to do this configuration in SPRO. We will learn that. Okay, the next tab. So all these links are in that Excel file I showed. So in the next tab is this one. Okay, so next here you see, this is another unit of measure. So now we are going inside how to configure that. This is the screen, and this is the Srini was yesterday we were struggling. This is the SPRO link. Yeah, we'll go through that and how to configure that. So first we'll go to here. We will configure it, whatever that one box is equal to 10 units, whatever. We'll do all the configuration. I will show you all that here. Once we do the configuration, then we will go here in the material master, additional data, unit of measure. Because we have set up everything as a unit of measure group, we have configured this whole thing as a unit of measure group. This is unit group, you see. So unit group, we set it up. One bag is equal to, let's say, 10 eaches. Yeah. One bag is equal to 10 eaches. Yeah, 10 eaches or 10 pieces, whatever. So once we set that, then we take this unit group and we come to the MM02 and we go to the additional data and we find that unit group, unit of measure group. Understood, Srinivas? We find that unit of measure group. So whatever
Yes,
we
sir.
have configured in SPRO under that unit of measure group will all be populated in the additional data. You see, this table will be updated because we are pulling the unit of measure group. Okay. And now in this SPRO, what we are doing under this unit of measure group, we are going to put all those conversions like, one bag is equal to 10 eaches, one case is equal to 10 bag, one pallet is equal to 100 eaches. Whatever we want to do, we do it with respect to what? The eaches or the base unit. We set all that and then we come here and we pull that unit of measure group and it will automatically populate all of them here. Understood how the concept goes here? Yeah. So the link is between SPRO and material master. The link is unit of measure group. Okay. I will share all that. I will not share all these ones because you will getting this one. So what you have to do, see, the unit of measure have two links, the definition link and the configuration link. You just go open this one and enjoy. Okay. You save your life. Okay. That's why I always say in my class, configuration is easy. Believe me. The reason I'm slow in configuration is I don't do every day. My job is strategic supply chain. Okay. But if you attend an IT consultant's SAP class and you see him tick, 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 because he does that every day, 10 hours. Yes, Srinivas? Yeah. So that's why he is very speed on that on the configuration. The industry don't need speed on configuration. Industry need an understanding of the supply chain, an application of the system. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's why when you see me slowly going through, is because that's not my day job. My day job is different. Okay. But still I say it's easy because once you know what to do, you have the system. The only thing you have to do is follow the rules and do it here. Yes. Okay. So now you know that how you configure, and we will do that configuration, and you get all that table here. Okay. So this is enough of the theory. Let's go and do that in the system. Okay. So we go here. PRO. Okay, so now we are working on the unit of measure side. So first thing is that you need to see those unit of measures. So let's go to MM03 and see all that. So what is that? We saw yesterday 26, I think. Okay. Purchasing plant data. Oh, something came in the storage problem here, I think. Yeah, for this particular item, the storage problem came, I think. Yeah. Well, let me go back here and okay, let me see. Let's take another item here. SC16 and Srinivas Mara, yeah? Mara is the is that one? Yeah. Srinivas, you will be surprised. I use Claude to do the the analysis, yeah, on Mara. Let me show you, man. I'm going to show you tomorrow all that in that thing, LinkedIn Live. Yeah, what you said?
See, the thing is, I forgot the table name, sir.
Oh, it's okay.
Initially,
yeah, you see here. So that yeah, see, Srinivas, 10
Yes,
years
sir.
before, 5 years before, we all were too scared. If we don't memorize, they will not hire us. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But now, if you memorize, you will not be hired.
Yes, sir.
The moment you go to interview and say Mara, MARD, I say, okay, thank you very much. You are not hired. So why? I memorize everything. He said, the reason you are not hired because you memorize. You see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The industry has changed. I tell you, the carpet has been taken out. Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
10, 20 years before, I remember my interview, 2009. This guy asked me about a material type. ROH, FERT, HARWA. I tried to memorize all that, and then I forgot some of them. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It was here in Toronto,
Yes, sir.
one of the pharma company. This guy said, "Do you?" Like, yeah, blah blah blah. I was like, okay, Tell me the material master. How many material master how many material type you remember? I said, okay, ROH, FERT. And he asked me some non-stock, because the tough one is NALG, yeah, the non-stock and all that, yeah. So I said, man, this guy is giving me hard time. I memorized it, but I forgot. And he says, oh, you don't remember? I'm sorry, you cannot continue. Okay, that was 15 years before. Now, if I tell NALG, blah, 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 they will say you are fired. Yeah, because you don't know what is going on in the world. Yeah, you see?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so make sure you go with the. Okay, so what I'm showing you, this is a teaser for tomorrow's LinkedIn live show. This is a teaser I'm showing for you. Okay, so this is, I took the SAP data, SAP Mara data. Yes. And what I did is I used Claude Cowork, and I did all this analysis using Claude Cowork. Can you believe that?
Okay.
You see how many total number of materials we have, different types of material, you see. And the interesting
Yes.
part is the data quality, because there's something where the consultant struggle. Yeah. And so data quality, exactly how many records I have, how many are populated 100%, you see. If it is
Yes, sir.
what is missing here, the division is missing, this is missing, you see. This is how much time the consultants take to do that. I can do this in less than 1 minute or 2 minutes using uh, Claude Cowork. Can you believe that?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You see, this is the future. I'm going to show a whole demo tomorrow. See, all these
Yes,
items
sir.
I downloaded from HANA. This is my Mara table. Yeah, I downloaded the
Yes,
Mara
sir.
table, and then I did all that. You see, creation trend, material group analysis. These are all my materials, record count, percentage. So you know how much material groups you have, which are the most used material group. Yes, industry analysis. What are the industry and what are those? You see, the
Yes, sir.
the material types by industry, material type classification, ROH, you see, standard type, non-standard type, count, number of. So in this, the one we are using, ROH is the highest, 151 of those items are ROH. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
so this is, and I have so many other analysis I have done, which I will show tomorrow. But I'm just
Yes.
giving you a teaser about where the industry is going, Srinivas. Industry is going in this direction. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
And I will teach all of that to my student. Don't worry. But I'm telling you that you are in the right place. But if you say, no, no, sir, there's one guy was showing me click, click, click faster than you, I will say, go.
No, 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 no. We don't want like that, sir. We want the business point of view.
Because that click is going away, I tell you, because that was something I used to think about myself. Yeah. But now I am very happy that hi Kangi joined us from Nigeria, I think. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, so anytime you have a question, Kangi, then just message me and I will take care in the lecture, because sometime I go so advanced topics also here. So it's okay. So now you go here, and we are doing the unit of measure. So first you understand where is that. Okay, so this is Mara. Why we are doing Mara? Because we want to see the mm, the material types. We are used 26. There's some problem came in 26, so just I thought we will see that if something else we can try here. For example, 29. We can see if 29 is good enough for that. Okay, let's go for the demo purpose. Yeah. So we have, let's see here, 29. Okay, let's try this guy first. Otherwise, I want to show that. Okay, so we'll go back all that thing. And I think this is there. We'll see the WM side also. I want to show all the different UOM types. Okay, let's see which one is this. Is it same? No, this is 7777. Okay, another plant. And what is this location? Oh, 881C. Okay. Okay, good. Let's see. Does not exist in TTL0 and check. And oh man. So this is the problem with the
The
date.
configuration it is missed, sir.
Yeah, configuration mistake. Okay, let's take this guy out for now. Okay, forget that one. Another way, I like to do, because sometimes you get a headache in this one. So what you do is that, oh, sorry. Okay, so just for the, you go to ME2L, ME2L, I like ME2L because here you can do, you select the document type NB,
Yes,
which
sir.
is your standard, yeah, NB. Select the document type NB, yeah, or purchase acquisition also is there, NB, or purchase order. Okay, so that's a purchase. It has both purchase acquisition and purchase order, both NB. You see, that's NB. So you got that, and then select the document date here. Document date is important. You don't want to see the old data, so go here and select something new, like from January onwards, for example, to the till date, like whatever 7 or whatever. Yeah. So latest data practiced in the sandbox. Yeah, and for this document type, and then I think you are good. And then don't do all the other ones, just keep it at this level and then run it me2l. So you got a nice data here. This is a recent data practice. The one thing I do check here is that that okay, this is NB and this is somebody's practice, this one. So still to be delivered, still to be invoice 00. I try to see that the whole P2P is done or not. Yeah. So this is the 100 ordered, still to be delivered, still to be 00. Good. And the unit of measure is kg. It means it is not a service, it is a kg. Yeah. So something like this is a good data for to practice. Yeah. So you go here, this is the PO number, double click on that PO number, it will open that. Yeah. You see, open that, and so now you see here, this is yeah, this is that one, and then Garshay, Marava, Rabia, everything good. Okay, so we have here,
You take material, sir.
yeah, this is the material. Yeah, so I'm taking the material here. Just double click on the Garshay, Marava. So double click on the material. So this is like a, you are 100% sure that this material will be good because it has been done all the transactions. Yes, the status here. So ordered, this is not good. You see, ordered is also not there. See, ordered, delivered, all 00. That's not a good data. Yeah. So go back. That's not a good data. Yeah. So go to another one. Still to be delivered 0 and invoice. So MyGo is done. Myro is not done. You see, this is how I see. Still to deliver 0, MyGo done. And so stock keeping unit is 100 delivered. This is day. This is the service data. You see, this is the service data. Day, hour, day. That's the service data. Okay, don't do the service data. Then go see any good example of the overall transactions. If anybody has done the whole P2P cycle, you all have to do your own, but I'm just trying to save the time here. Then we have here, we have so that we have don't have stock here. Let me see. Anybody did that one? Okay, still to be delivered 0, still to be goods company. Yeah, okay, at least the MyGo is done. So at least we know that that data will be good till that level. Okay, so MyGo is done. That's a good. So purchase order history, come here and see MyGo is done. Yeah, as I said. So good. The MyGo is done. At least we know that is done. So this material is good enough for that purpose. And we can come here and see the status here is that, okay, ordered 100 and delivered 100. So MyGo is done. Still to be delivered 0. Invoice not done. It's okay. So let's go to our case. So we use this one for our. So now you go to the org data and see that, okay, we are using company code 8888. Okay. And that's one and plant is 88. Okay. So this material. Okay, what is this material? First check the material. The material is a raw material, ROH. Okay, very good. And then you go here and now let's see all the unit of measures. Yeah, so we already discussed about the base unit of measure, which is a client level data. We already know about that. The another one we know is the order unit, which is the purchasing unit of measure. Yeah, it can be same as the base unit, or you are ordering not in a eaches, you're ordering in a cases or in a pallets. You don't know. Yeah, so this is the order unit. That's different than the base unit. Okay, so it is saying the base is this. Do you want this to be same as not? If it is blank, then it's blank, then it is same as the base unit. If it is not blank, something is here like box or case or whatever or pallet, then it is a different purchasing unit. What will show up in the ME21N when you are issuing a purchase order? It will go with this one first, order unit. Yeah. If it is blank, then it will go to this one. Okay. Always remember that. Start with this one, try to search that unit of measure. If not, then we'll go to that one. Okay. So for example, if you go here and where is that guy gone? Okay. So let me continue. Okay. So then you have here, let's continue here. And then we have what? The plant data. Okay, so let's do the plant data, see if this is guy is good or not, the location. Okay, the location is there, good. So let's see this data here. Okay, so now you see here the third one is unit of issue. Okay, very important, unit of issue. You saw the order unit in purchasing and the plant storage data. What is unit of issue? And what is the unit of issue? This is inside the warehouse. Yeah, you see how you are. So go here, click on the question mark and read this one. Unit in which the material is issued from the warehouse. Yeah. The system proposes the unit of issue for goods issued, transfer posting, and other. So where this will be used, Srinivas? Where this will unit of issue will be used?
It is going to use in the warehouse operations. Whether
For
it is
what?
a goods issue.
For what?
For it is a goods issue, or it is going to transfer from one storage location to other storage location, like that.
Okay. So now this is a technical answer. The answer is yes, from one warehouse to another is one thing. The second is how you want to ship to the customer. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, because goods issue is always when the answer comes, you need to have both technical answer and a business answer. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you always practice that technical answer, business answer. Then only you will pass the interview. Like somebody in YouTube, my YouTube video, somebody put a comment there. Please also keep suggesting us about the interviews whenever you know in the lecture. So okay, so for him and for all of you, it's important whenever the question is asked in the interview, have two sets of answer. First, your technical answer. You know, okay, this is used for goods issue and transfer posting and blah blah. Okay, that's good. But then tell the business answer, which is, you know, if a customer orders and he wants specific in pallets only, you know, so how can you do that, you know, or in a boxes only, you don't want in eaches, because why a customer can have a specific requirement? Because the customer also has a warehouse to receive. Agree? And
yes,
customer
sir.
don't want to waste time in receiving one by one. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So customers say, I don't care. You just give me in this pallets or boxes, whatever, and it will save my time. Yes. So this is important. You know, there was one of the case study we studied in MBA about this topic is Cardinal Health. You know, Cardinal Health company? It's a very big company, Cardinal Health, in pharma distribution in North America. It's a very big company, Cardinal Health. So they did the whole case study about visiting hospitals and meeting the procurement manager, warehouse manager, and all those people, and doctors and all, and understanding their pain points. And one of the pain point was that we want you to ship to us in the way we want to receive and put in a shelf to save our time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's going to, so they want a bundle receiving, like one of these, 10 of these, blah, blah, blah. So they can have this whole package ready for the doctor to directly receive in warehouse and send it in a trolley to the doctor. You see?
Yes, sir.
So how much time you will save in the process in the warehouse? Because currently what they do, they receive everything from Cardinal Health, then they pick one of these, two of these, five of these, whatever, they put a package together, they give it, they ask somebody to deliver to the doctor's office, yeah, in the hospital. Yeah, it takes time. Yes. So they asked that, hey, can we do some of this bundling in your warehouse so it will save our time? Yeah. You understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
that is also you have to understand as a solution advisor. Don't think only about the company. Always ask question from the customer side also. Yeah. What is your customer's requirement in terms of receiving products? Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
got it. Okay, very good. Okay, now you understand that part. So now this is a unit of issue. You understood that. And what is the another one we have here is, I think in the WM side, you will have one more here.
Yes, sir.
Where is that WM? WM is, I think here. Handling unit type. No, that's not WM side. I think. Yeah, the some of the views are missing here, but we'll see later. No, not a problem. We'll see the other
That is
missing.
WM unit only, sir.
Yeah, WM
Fourth.
unit. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I think the other views are missing. I have to extend those views to see that, but it's okay. So that's going here. Now let's go and do the configuration of this unit of measure. As I said here, we have to do the configuration in SPRO and then bring it here. Okay, just
Yes.
remember
Yes.
that. So how you do that? You go another one. Now I am going to the other one. I showed you the document and we will follow that document. So which is, I showed you how to get that. Okay, so now you go to SPRO. This is what yesterday we were missing. The problem was this one. So SPRO, this logistics general, yeah, here, and then we go to the material master. Okay, material master, and then we have settings for key fields, this guy, yeah, and then we have define unit of measure, yeah. So this is this one, define unit of measure groups, yeah, this guy, yeah. Okay, so this is the table you have to use. See the unit group here, unit group here. So
Yes.
now what are you doing is that you are saying that, okay, my alternate unit of measure, for example, I'm entering here, I'm saying my unit group is, let's say TI underscore test. Yeah. Okay, TI, let's say TI. Okay, my unit group is TI. My alternate group is, let's say I'm putting box. Yeah. Yeah, and my numerator is saying, I'm saying one box is equal to 10 eaches. Okay, agree? 1 by 10 eaches. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
and denominator is 1. Yeah, so I set this whole thing and I saved it. Box is not created in language. Okay, so that box is not, it may be BX. Yeah, so always use that language which is used here. Yeah, so it's a bag, blah blah. So I want to see whether somebody has created the defined unit of measure, and how you define that, this whole thing. So example, if it is not here and you say how I can get that, that is another screen. You go here, and we saw that yesterday, CUNY. Yeah, this one. So you see here,
Yes.
it's a bag, blah blah. You see. So if a box is here or not, so then you, if it is not here, then you go and you create here. Yeah. You see, if I say, oh, I want box, how about that? Yeah. So box. But the problem comes here, if you give access to everybody, then there's a duplication going on. So make sure you have master data management topic discussed already with the client. Yeah. Don't give it to everybody, otherwise it will be a mess. Yeah. That's okay. That's not an error. That's the ISO code, the industry standard, what is this box is part of and all that. So it is part of the, where is that? That is the part of the eaches units. So where is the eaches coming here? Where is the eaches? Kilowatt, text, watt. So because this ISO standard is, hey, whatever you are doing, it's okay, you can create, but the whole world should know it because you are shipping it to Europe and they also follow the ISO code. Yeah. So everybody follow the ISO code. Yeah. So they should know what does this mean, in under which group it comes, like eaches. Yeah. So I say, oh, this comes under eaches group. Understood? So that's the ISO code. Okay. So now you save it here. What else is there? As already ISO code EA is already used for measurement unit EA. Yeah. Okay. So what is this? It's not taking or taking? Okay, it's taking. Yeah. Okay. So now you have this one, and you say unit of measure. Okay. Then you save this guy here. Okay, got it. And then you go back here, and then okay. So you got the unit of measure box here. You see, I did that. Okay. So that is good. Now you go back to that guy here. You see the box. Yeah. So you get out of this one. Yes, cancel, and then you do it again. Yeah. Okay, so you do it again. You come here, you do new entries. Unit group is, let's say, ti. Alternate is box. Yeah. And my numerator is one box is equal to 10 eaches. One. And you save this guy. See, now it is not going to give you error because I have created box as a one of the unit of measure. Yeah. So it's not going to give you the error. Okay. So then here you say UoM conversion. Okay, so that is good. You all follow me on that topic here. Okay, now you got this boxes here. Okay, so now you have, let's go back on that area. Where is that guy gone? Here. Yeah, this guy. So we have this one, 20480. Let me write it down before I forget. So 20480 and the plant is 8888. Yeah, that's 8888. 8810. 8810 is plant, material is this one. Okay, so we go back here and we will do /n mm02. Okay, and then we got this item. Good. We have let's do this one, base data. Okay, that is good enough for now. And then plant is 8810. Okay, and then we have here. Okay, now we go to the additional data, unit of measure. You see? Okay, now you see here, unit of measure group. What is my unit of measure group?
TI.
Okay, drop down and you see TI. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, select this guy. You see, conversion came or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh? One box is equal to 10 pieces. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because base unit is pieces. I did my conversion there. One box. So whatever done there in SPRO, it all will show up here. One pallet is equal to this, blah blah blah. All that will show up. Everybody understood this whole thing? Yesterday we were a little bit on the how to do all that, but now I think you all are happy. Yes, Rabia? Rabia is happy. Okay, very good. Okay, now switching to the topic. So we did that one. Now we go back to the screen here and we say unit of measure is done. Okay. The unit of measure is done. Let's go to the Afifa. Shall we do the easy one? This one?
Ji, sir.
Okay. You will support me on these two?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Yeah, be confident. Okay, so we're going to extend the material from one plant to another plant. Okay, so the scenario here is that we have two plants and we are extending from one plant to another plant. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is that, yeah, I'm not seeing all the views here, you know. So how can I include some other views here? Yes, Afifa? So these are the two. Okay. Okay. Afifa is under test now. Okay. So first of all, we for that particular item, what we did, where is that one? Okay, so yeah, first of all, what you do is that you find that that org chart. Yeah, okay, Afifa. Step one is what? Find the org chart. Yeah. You need to know what are the plants available in that. Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How you will extend from one plant, or you need to know whether they both belong to the same company code or not. Yes. Then only you can do that. Yeah. Agree? Okay. So now, see, if we are doing that in the case of 8810, let's see if this 8810 has how many plants. Yeah. So you see how many plants they have. So this is my 8810, you see, company code. And now this has this many plants. Yeah, this many plants. This is my purchase. So first step is you need to know this part. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now you know that these are the ones 881011 blah blah. Okay. So now you the second step is that Srinivas, what was that? See, I'm asking. I'm saying don't remember. Then I'm asking you. What is the table where we have plant and material?
Marcy, sir.
Marcy. I'm saying don't remember. Then I'm saying what is the table? Somebody watching the video says, "Sir, why you are asking him if you said don't remember?" Okay, Marcy. Okay, so Marcy. Why I'm saying Marcy? Let me show. Okay, why I'm saying Marcy, material and plant? Because you see here, what I'm showing you here. I'm seeing you here that hey, we want to see a material which is part of one plant, which is not part of another plant. So we can extend it. Okay. We are practicing what? Extending the material master from one plant to another plant so that these guys don't have to create their own material master. They can leverage the material master created by another plant within the same company code. Everybody understood the business scenario? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
A Mumbai warehouse don't have to distribution center don't have to create their own material master because it's already done by a Hyderabad distribution center and they are leveraging their material master. Everybody understood now the business case? Yeah. Okay. So now how you do that? You first need to know what are the um, what are the plants under the same company code. Step one. The step two, you need to know that Marcy, what Srinivas said, hey, these are my plants and um, these are my plants and these are my material. Yeah, these are my plants and these are my material. So what you will do? So you know you know these ones, but how you will do the project? Download this guy. Okay. And tomorrow I will show you how to do this analysis in using AI. Today we will just do it the regular method. MARC table. Yeah, see, I've created a file here, Claude. Okay, you see the data now, Excel file. Everybody seeing the data?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you do here, we want to know on which are those materials under those plants. So what you do here, you first of all you download this guy and make it save a copy. You got download. Is it already in Excel? I think last. Yeah, I think I can do it. Okay, this is already okay. So what do you do? I will just go with these two. I am interested in these two only. I select these two. I go to the pivot table and I create a pivot table for these two only. Okay. Okay, and then I like the display option. You know, where is the display? This one, classic display. I like that one. Okay, so now here what you do, I will go and then I can say that, you know, I will put the plant here, you see, and then I will put the material here, you see. Okay, I can do that. Or I can say that, you know, this is not good. I need to know like this, like, and then I will take the total out from here. Yeah, so I can see that, you know, or I can do one more thing here. I say, you know, which is, this is not a good way of seeing the values. So I can say, you know, I don't want that. I want something like this. You see, something like this. I want something like this so that, you know, when I want to see the values, and then how I know what values are here, then I will just throw this guy here. You see the count. If these two are filled, then I got the count as 1. Okay. Everybody understood my Excel method? Yeah, why I'm doing that? Okay. Okay, so now what I will do, why I put this in this format, because if I go here and I say, I want to know what are the items in 8811 plant. Yeah, 8811 plant. So I will go to here in Excel file and I will drop down this and I will type here 8811. Not there. The 8811 plant is not there. Interesting. So what are the plants you have here? Oh, this does not have all the data. That is interesting. Why does not have all the data? Why the whole data is not coming, Srinivas?
Sir, if you can click on find button and then enter the plant number here.
Yeah, here, yeah. So we can do here 881. I was thinking, Ravi, to download and see in parallel how many whether it's available in all the plants or not. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
500 limit there.
maximum number of it's you kept only 500.
500
sir.
limit.
Oh, that's why. That's why.
Yeah,
That's why. Let's do 50,000. Okay. Okay. I think now it will give everything. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's the point. Because I thought why it should have, because I want to do the comparative analysis with all the plants and which item is in which plant. Yeah, but that's something is more useful for you as a consultant than doing it here. This will take a lot more time. Possible here also, but SAP versus Excel. Why consultants love Excel is flexibility. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to do all that now, but let's get to the data first. Okay, so we got that. Good. We have this. Looks like how many rows we got now? Now we got 501 again. See, we're not getting the full data here. That's not good.
Sir, go in that. Okay. You go to this one, sir.
Which one? This is 500. See. Okay, let's go back
Yeah.
now. Yeah,
Go back.
go back, and now you do this again. You see 550,000. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you do it will come. Okay, because it was running. So number of hits are more. Now I think it is more data. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, because it was taking the old one. Okay, good. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, no problem. We are going to do this. Okay. And then downloading. Yeah, see, now it's taking more time. So it's taking, definitely we'll have more data this time. That's a good point. How to get all the data. Because if by mistake, if we select less data, then it's not. Okay, that's good. We got the data here. And let's check that. Okay, allow. Okay, so now you see how many came here. 1146. Okay, much better. 1146. Yeah. Do you think it is good? Maybe
Yes,
that's
sir.
all.
That many records only it is available.
Yeah, so that's good. So now you select all those three here like this, and then you go insert pivot table in the new sheet, and then I change into the display. It's not important, but I like that classic display. Okay, and then what you do here is that the way I want to see this is definitely my material should be in the rows. So that's here. And then, my plant is in the columns. So I want to see which material in column, and status I'm throwing it here as a count. So I know this material is available in 1710. That's how I want to know. Okay, and then I go back here, and under this one 8811, 8812, let's see in 8811 which item is available. Yeah, so that's 8811. So if I drop down this, I type 8811. See, it is now here. Very good. Okay, so see this 8811, these items are available. You see 8811, how many items? Only these three items are available in 8811. Okay, so that's the good insight we got. And we do this guy here. Let me just save the time. And so I know this is 8811. Okay, I got the first one. Let's do one more. 8812. Okay, 8812. Let's go back here and do that same thing for 8812. Oh, not this guy here. 8812. Oh, 8812 is nothing is available. See, 8812, nothing is available. Yeah, 8811. So it's available in 8811, but not in 8812. So okay. So now if I say let's extend these items, these material from plant 8811 to plant 8812. Is it a good scenario? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
sir.
these
Yes,
are
sir.
not available in 8812 and available in 8811. Yes, good. So this is the data I was looking for the demo purpose. Now you understood why I was doing all that. Yeah. Okay. So now you know that. So let's go back here. Let's try one 200708811. Okay. See, in consulting world, Srinivas, the more grunt you have, you know, what you say, means going more detail and enjoying the details. Yeah, the grit part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the better you become as a consultant. Yeah, agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's what I have learned in my career. You know, you enjoy the so-called the level of noise you get in the depth. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Many people they just jump out. They say, "Oh, there's too much." Yeah. Now, if they say too much, they are an end user. Yeah. Yeah. If you enjoy the depth, then you are a consultant. That's the difference between end user and consultant. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You decide what you want to. It's all good, but you decide. If you want to be a consultant, then you enjoy the mess. Enjoy the mess. Yeah. Client will not going to give you everything beautiful. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 200708811. Let's go back here. Now I'm going to call whom? Apiba. Apiba.
Ji sir.
Okay. So let's first test this. The item is there or not. So which item want to see first? I want to see this here 8811. This item 20070. Okay. So 2007. Let's see whether it is there or not. 20070. Okay. What is saying? The material type does not exist. See, this is the bad data. Material type does not exist. Wow. So how they created this material without a material type? Come on. Okay. 20098. Material type does not exist. Wow. That's so bad. Who has done this configuration?
Sir, we can go to MM01 and extend the material type or change the
Yeah,
material type.
change the material type. Yeah, I was trying to get a clean data here, but anyhow, okay, let's do that. So, okay, let's go and show that one here. MM01 20070. Is that the number?
70. Yes.
20070. Okay, so here we have our match. So we are taking the material type, but it's not. No, I don't think the people you can do that one. Yeah. No, I don't think you can. You can do this here like this. Have you tried this before? I don't remember. I have tried that.
I've done for industry type.
No, so you see that is. Don't do this in front of the client like that. Okay, they will kick you. I made biryani. I can make the idli also. No, go. Okay. This is SAP, Afifa. You cannot assume. Yeah. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, never do that. Okay. So so let's go back here. What are the other we have plants here? 8820. Let me see if 8820 is here. Otherwise, we will. I have another way of doing it. 8820. Any item? Okay, I don't have any item on 8820.
160 try, sir.
Which one? 16?
16, sir.
Let's try this guy 1710, because 1710 is the standard SAP has given this plant. So definitely it has more data. 1710.
Yeah.
Okay, 17010 has more data. Okay, so let's go back here and do this guy here. This whole thing. Go back on that one and do 1710. Okay, 1710. This one. This is the SAP standard data. Okay. If you want to practice something and you're struggling, 1710 is SAP given data. Okay. So 1710 is there, and I know there are two plants. Which are the plants? 1710 and 1720. Yeah. Okay. Very good. So now you know 1710 has all these items. Yeah. And then if I go here and I do 1710, 1720. Okay. See, 1710, 17. So 1720, nothing here. Yeah. 1710, all these items, they don't exist in 1720. Everybody can see that? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a good data we have here. Yeah. Okay. So now we know this is the data we have. Okay, good. And then we have, let's say 20401. Okay, let's try that. 20401. Okay. Two 20401. Okay, good. So this data is there. Very good. Okay. So let's test it. Then we come back to that area. What are we doing? We are extending. Okay, good. So we go there. And so this one, see, does not have a purchasing view. Yeah, it does not have a purchasing view, Afifa. You see? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's do the extension first of the purchasing view. Yeah. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this does not have a purchase. If somebody say, "Oh, sir, I came here, but I don't see the purchasing view. What should I do?" But when you saw the demo, you have purchasing view. Okay, so how to solve that, Afifa? How to bring the purchasing view for this item?
By going to MM01.
Okay, MM01, and what is the item number? 20401, and then what you do here?
Enter.
Enter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter. Then
Again enter.
again enter. Then
Now we'll select purchasing to extend it.
purchasing. Okay, very good. Then open org levels.
Org levels. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
very good. And then plant is 1710. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
And then you go here and you got the purchasing view here. Okay. And then you save it. Yes. Create is save.
Yes.
And then it's asking for material group. Just enter the material group. Some of the mandatory fields you have to enter. So just enter it for now, because we covered the material group in the last class. So that's why I'm not going to explain that again. But okay. So then you got saved it and you get out. Are you about, do you want to save your data? Yes. The value ZP0 is not allowed for your, what is ZP01 here? Where we enter the ZP01. For your, for the field production scheduling profile. Okay, where is that data coming? Production scheduling profile. Okay, where is the production scheduling profile? I think it is in advanced planning, Srinivas. Production
Yes, sir.
scheduling
Yes.
profile, yeah? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it's in advanced planning. Okay, so I don't know which is location it is, data is there. Okay, that's the fun of SAP. You go with one, you learn 10 more things. No, I don't think it's allowing us to go there. Production scheduling profile is where? Can you check in help, Google? Where is production scheduling profile coming? Yeah, this one. For the field production scheduling profile, the value ZP01 is not, where is that production scheduling?
Sir, can you check in the MRP3 or MRP4?
Yeah. Okay. So that can be possible. Let me see. Cannot be chosen here. If possible, enter the organizational level. What is organizational level is saying here? That's another interesting one. I've never seen that. If possible, enter the organizational level. What is organizational level? Okay, this data looks like why I cannot MRP? I cannot see the MRP data. Location. Raw material. Oh, it's a raw material. Okay, got it. Wrong storage location. Okay. So which one you said? 3. Okay, so let's see that production scheduling profile. Production scheduling profile. Production scheduling profile.
Now you go to the advanced planning also, sir.
Yeah.
Checking
Check there. Let's finish this guy here. Where is the production scheduling profile? So it's not in that thing. Let's go to advanced planning. Okay, what is there? It's advanced planning not in scope. Production scheduling profile. Yeah, I want to do this PPDS course in October. It'll be fun to teach all these things. It's not there. Can you check in the Google? Where is this production scheduling profile in the
material master?
Yeah, in the material master. Yeah, Google will tell faster. The AI is faster than us. Okay, Google Gemini is also very good. If you just use Google Gemini, it's very good. I don't think I'm seeing that data here. MRP data. Okay. So if I save this data, it's saying same error. Okay, not allowed for field production scheduling profile. Okay, we need to find production scheduling profile. I'm not giving up on this one. Okay. Production scheduling.
So it's showing under work scheduling view.
Oh, in work
Material
scheduling.
master.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Work scheduling. Okay, very good. Okay, work scheduling. Okay, so go to the work scheduling. Work scheduling not selectable here. Data already created. Okay, so but why I cannot go to the work scheduling?
So maybe because we didn't select that view.
No, it is here. The view is okay. Let's go back and see. Let's go back and see what is the item number we have 20401. Yeah. So we got that item. Yeah. Okay. And we enter again. And then where is the work scheduling? Here. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then we go here 1710. Yeah. Material already maintained for this transaction. See, it's not allowing.
Sir, possibly this material is bounded somewhere in physical inventory or somewhere else.
Somebody is already using it, something like that in the scheduling. So that's why
Yes,
don't want
use
to change
some other material number.
Yeah, use some other material number. Agree. Yeah. So the other one I have in my list is that's a good point. Okay, let's go back. So we tried this guy. Forget that for now. Work scheduling. Okay, let's try 20500. Okay, so 20500. Let's try that guy. Okay, so we go here /n mm03 20500. Okay, so okay, we got that one. Okay, I think it's going to be.
Sir, it is purchasing is missing.
Oh, purchasing view is missing. Yeah, purchasing view is missing. Okay, good. So let's go and do the extension of the purchasing view. /n mm01 purchasing view is missing, so that's what the purpose was. 20500. Enter that. It's a laptop. Okay. Okay. Enter again and select the purchasing view. Go here and do this 1710. And we got the purchasing view. Okay. Very good. And you save it. Okay, good. So we extended the purchasing view. So this is how you extend the different views. Okay, we practice one part. Now you come here and see whether the purchasing view is available. Yes, purchasing view is available, and that is good. You got that one. Okay. Now you know it is extended. Okay, perfect. The step one is done. You go back to your Excel file and say that we have practiced this one, extend material from one plant to another plant. No, extended view. This we have practiced this one just now. Okay, so we have practiced that one. Okay, now we go to the other one, which is this one, from one plant to another plant, and we have two plants. Which one we have? We have 1710 and
1720.
20, and the material we have is 20500. Yeah, agree? So we're going to
Yes.
Yes, sir.
practice this one. Okay, so let's do this now. Go to here. Okay, ready, Afifa? MM01. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 20500. Enter. Yeah. Then enter again. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
And then select something here. Yeah.
Yes. Any basic view.
Any basic view and purchasing. Okay, and then go to the org level. Yeah.
We'll enter the new plant now.
Yeah,
to extend.
1720. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and then you enter. Yeah, 1720 extended. Save it. Yeah, done. Everybody understood how I am extended it? Yeah. So this one is also practice to extend material from one plant to another plant. Okay. Very common. If you are practicing this, you will say, oh, it was in another material. It was not here. And what should I do? Okay, good. You got it. Okay. So now keep moving. So important fields in different views. Yeah, this I want to cover a little bit of that one. Let's do it here. Otherwise, I'm going to miss it. Okay. So /n mm03 20500. Let's do a complete overview. Rabia, you remember some of these ones if I ask you? I just want to see your memory testing. Accounting view is not here. Yeah, we don't have accounting views here. Yeah. Okay. So let's extend all of them. Okay. Okay, Afifa, MM01.
Yes, sir.
Let's extend all of them. 20500. Let's extend all of them. Okay. So we don't know which one is there, which one is not there. What should I do? Shall I select everything? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because I don't know which one is there, which one is not there. Yeah. Okay, done. See? Okay, Afifa.
Yes, sir.
You see, everything is asking here now. Yeah. Because I selected everything. Yeah. So it's going to ask me everything. Plant 1710, storage location. Yeah, you can select all these storage locations. You can select, yeah, the one for the raw material is 900 here. Yeah. So select the raw material one. Yeah. Okay, you got that. Valuation type, leave it for now. Sales organ. How I know sales organization, Afifa? Oh, why plant came as different? No, not 1710. 1710 plant. Yeah. Okay. So how I know sales organization?
By going in EC01.
Exactly. So 1710 here, you know your plant is 1710. You go further down and you see under the 1710 plant, what are my storage locations? These are my storage locations. Yes? Agree?
Yes.
Storage location area. You see storage location. Yeah. So it's a 171A, 170C. The raw material is which one? 171C. Yes, raw material. Yeah, that's a 171C. So I know 171C is here. I can drop down and select 171C if it is here. You see? Understood? Okay. Now sales organization. Which one is my sales organization? Go back here and then drop down. See 1710 sales organization. You see? That's my sales organization. 1710. Yeah. And sales organization, distribution chain, and division. They all group into what is known as all three together.
Sales area.
Oh, very good. Sales area. Okay. It's 1710. So 1710 is my sales organization. Yes. Okay. Good. And distribution channel is what my distribution channel here? 1710 10 and 11. Two distribution channel. You see? 10 and
Yes.
11. Yeah.
11.
Yeah, very good. So now you go here and you drop down, you will see those 10 and 11. You see? Distribution channel here and sales organization. See 1710 10. You see? The 10 is domestic distribution channel. And what is my 11? 17011. Where is my 17011 here? Is it showing up here? It should be here. 171010, and there should be a 11 somewhere. Okay, let's take for now this domestic one. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Does
sir.
it a warehouse number? You know warehouse number? What is warehouse number? Is a connector between MM and EWM module. Okay, this is the connector. If somebody wants an EWM module and they don't want to work only till storage location, if they want to use bin and shelf and storage type and all the different other ones, yeah, then what will happen? You need a warehouse number, and then only you can use the storage type, which is part of the EWM. Okay, this is part of the EWM. And what is warehouse number? Is a connector between MM and EWM. Okay, understood this part? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
we don't need now, but I'm telling you, when I have time, I will show you how to connect that one. It's not a big thing. I'll show you, but it's part of the enterprise. Okay, so you got all the data here which you need. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Valuation type, we'll cover that valuation type when we go to that class of it's not yet maintained and all that. I know it's we need to configure that whole what you say, account determination and all that. In that class, I'm going to teach all the valuation type and valuation area, valuation class. Is a whole topic on finance side. Okay, we got enough data here, Aviva? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Material ledger must be set productive for the valuation area 113. See, material ledger is not connected. Oh, why is it they change the plant here, Afifa? Why?
Because of storage location, I think.
No, but I am not using that. Storage location is available in that plant, yeah? Material class description, okay. You see, it's good?
Yes.
Afifa? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Afifa डर रही है आज मैं तेबार नाम बोल रहा हूँ. Okay. So now there are certain fields I want to just give an overview because, start with MRP. Okay. Oh, it's not going the MRP. Why it jumped out of the MRP? Maintain class, tax classification. Oh, it's not allowing me to show this data. Okay, what is this? You want this data? Okay. Since finance people do whatever things and we have to just somehow deal with them.
I think it is going to deal with this batches. Batch management.
The tax data, yeah? Yeah.
It is not a tax data, sir.
Uh-huh.
You selected for material class, right?
Yeah.
So it is going to deal with the batch management.
Okay. That's why it's showing you that. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys coming here in the data, the sales org data, you need the taxable, non-taxable. That's why it's asking you to enter that data. So it
Yes,
shows
yes,
in this screen. Yeah. Okay. Good. So now let's go back. I want to start with MRP. Okay. Good. MRP 1, 2, 3, 4 is a quick overview because we want to cover the material master today. Um, uh, yeah. So now MRP group, we're going to create the MRP group, same like we did the material group, material group, we did that, you're grouping the items, same like that is my MRP group. We'll do that when we are uh, learning that. Uh, MRP in the MRP class, MRP controller is the planner number, so we're going to learn about that also. Who is the planner? Same like your purchasing group, who is the buyer? Same here is the MRP controller. Who is the planner? Yeah, planner can be team or a person. Yeah, this is a huge topic of MRP type here because the different types of planning models available. Now this is why this is important, because even though we plan in IBP, unless I'm going to start this class, I think in May. Even though we do all the planning in IBP, still where you set the material, where you set the planning master data, Srinivas, you set the planning master data here. Okay.
yes,
That's why I
yes,
tell the IBP guys, attend this class first, but they don't understand its importance. They say, no, sir, I want to learn IBP. I said, no, you learn this first. Don't jump, because there's
yes.
no brownie points for jumping,
Mhm.
in the industry, Srinivas, they don't understand the competition they are facing. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah. Just teach me this and I'm good. No, it's not like that. You need to learn the breadth and the depth both. Yeah. So that's why I
yes, sir.
said attend this class, learn all the master data for the planning. When I teach IBP, then it will be easy for you, because IBP does not have this MRP type. IBP wants you to understand all these settings in the material master. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if I don't want to, for example, in IBP, the problem comes, oh, I'm trying to do a planning for this SKU and my IBP is not running, showing errors. Why it is showing error, Srinivas? Because the MRP type set is no planning.
Yes,
Now here you go. If you know the importance of this MRP1, blah, blah, you can easily solve that problem. Yes?
yes, sir.
But if you say, no, I learned IBP and I don't learn MM, then how you know this field is sitting here?
Yes, sir. No
Yeah.
plan.
No, exactly. Yeah, no planning. This one time phase plan. I'm going to teach all these in my MRP class. Manual order, reorder, automatic reorder, how safety stock is calculated, blah, blah. This is my favorite topic, which I have done in my career. Okay, so that's this importance, reorder point, cycle time, all that we'll teach in the MRP class. This is another very big topic, lot size. Lot size data, is important in planning, is important in purchasing also. This is a topic. This is the planning data. So you have a minimum lot size. Uh, so when you do the production, you need that. Sometime when you do not sometime when you do purchasing, the customer is saying no. The supplier is saying you need to order minimum this much quantity. How you do that? You need to set up that one. Yeah, minimum. Yeah, you said that some suppliers say you cannot order less than 1,000 units. Yeah, how the system will know that? Then you're issuing a purchase order for 900. If the system allows to cut a PO for 900, then supplier will not accept it. Yes, so you need to control
Yes, sir.
that. So that's where you control here. Okay, so minimum is very, very important data. We'll go more detail on that. ABC indicator is very important. You need to learn how to do ABC XYZ analysis. I will show you that. And then how you do product segmentation and why it is important, how this work play in the planning and all. So that's a very important. Material status, we already talked about. It is available at plant level status, like, is it active, not active, design phase, phased out, obsolete, many, and you can configure that. Okay, so so that's MRP1. The most important is this MRP procedure. This one, the planning data, the time fence. What is the time fence means? You don't want any production order to be generated within that time fence. Yeah, so that's why it is you block that. So any if it is 2 weeks here, then all the production order generated is outside the 2 weeks, because for those 2 weeks you have already set your production lines and labor and everybody busy, and you don't want to disturb them. So how will you make sure that nobody disturb them for next 2 weeks? You set the time fence. Yeah. So that the planning does not generate another work order, production order for during that time. Okay. Very, very important time fence. Okay, so we'll do that. MRP2. Yeah, this is the one. We saw that in material type also, Srinivas. We saw that in there are two types, internal and external. Yeah, and we see this here also. Yeah, in-house, external,
Both.
internal, both. We saw in material type. We saw in MRP2 also as procurement type. Yeah, it is here also. Yeah, and then special procurement. Yes, we will have a whole topic about lecture about. We did the overview. You remember my class on the overview, but we'll do the configuration of the consignment, subcontracting, and stock transfer. So this is part of the special procurement. Okay. Just in time, we will do the scheduling agreement class. We will learn about GIT delivery schedule, how to do that. Co-product, like is it this is in the production side. You have this is the co-product. Let me just get that. Is it this is the byproduct indicator specify the material can also be used as a co-product. Okay, this is an alternative product. Sometimes you say that the customer wants this, or in production you want this particular raw material, but this can be also used for that particular bomb. Yeah, so there is a co-product, means alternative product. Okay, bulk material. Okay, this is the scheduling. When we learn about the production scheduling, we're going to learn that. One thing I want to goods receive processing time is 2 days here. Okay, plant delivery time is 5 days here. Okay, very good. So let's go here. This is the topic I want to cover, which is here, total lead time. You see the total lead time topic here. I want to cover the total lead time topic. Okay, so let's do total lead time. Okay, this is for my purchasing. Okay. Then, okay, purchasing. Total lead time is equal to what you have. GR PO processing time. PO processing time. Okay, plus GR processing time plus plant delivery time. Rabia, you remember this formula? While I'm drinking water, I want Rabia to be ready for the job in 3 months.
Sir, days of supply कुछ इस type का था.
Days of supply. No, days of supply तो आपका उसमें आ गया ना, क्या कहते हैं, आपका रीऑर्डर पॉइंट उसमें आ गया ना, डेज ऑफ सप्लाई इन्वेंट्री में ना. हाँ, ये तो लीड टाइम की बात चल रही है ना, लीड टाइम. सो डेज ऑफ सप्लाई आपका उसमें आ गया. कैश सी कन्वर्शन है, कैश टू कैश, days of supply and DOI and DSO. Okay, so इसमें क्या है, what we have here, total lead time is PO processing time. Let's assume my PO processing time is I'm taking what is my PO processing time? My PO processing time is something a buyer is taking to convert a purchase requisition into a PO. Okay, everybody understood? Converting a purchase. So too many purchase requisitions generated by MRP and all that, and a buyer cannot do all that in 1 minute. Yeah, it takes time, at least 2 days, for example, it takes to do all that. Yeah, conversion. Yeah, and sending a PO to the supplier and email and all that admin work. Yeah, so you need to give the buyer some admin work. Yeah, so this is the buyer part. Everybody understood? Purchaser, buyer. Yeah, okay, he's taking 2 days. Okay, then we have a GR processing time. Okay, the buyer has issued a PO, sent to the supplier, and now the warehouse guy is receiving it. Everybody understood? Warehouse, yeah, receiver. Okay, so warehouse guy is receiving it, and the warehouse guy is doing GR 101. Okay, in MyGo, you're doing MyGo GR 101. Everybody understood by now this SAP language? Yeah. So it's taking, let's say, it's taking 2 days. Why is taking 2 days? Because too many stuff sitting there in the floor. You cannot expect him to just do it in in 1 hour. Yeah, because he has to clean the backlog. The new shipments are arriving in the dock, and he has area of all those backlog, and then he's doing one by one. Maybe he's a one guy, whatever. Maybe 1 day, maybe 2 days, but depends upon you. To ask the client, you go to visit warehouse, talk to those warehouse guys, understand, then only enter the data. Don't enter assuming anything. Okay, oh, sir told me 2 days, so that's good. No. As a consultant, you have to visit the warehouse, you have to talk to them, if online meetings, understand what type of products they receive, and they may say, oh, this product I receive in 1 hour, or this product I receive in 5 days. So you need to know at SKU level. Okay, this is all the data you are doing it at the SKU level. Always remember, don't assume, this guy told me 2 days, so let me put two. No, don't do that. No, mistake. Okay, this is at the SKU plant level. Understood? Okay, so now you got that one. And then what is the plant delivery time? Who's going to tell me? I told 2 of them. What is the plant delivery time? Rabia. She said, sir, मेरा नाम मत लो. YouTube में मेरा नाम जा रहा है. What is plant delivery time?
Sir, my
This is the
internet is
time,
not
Rabia,
working.
from. Okay. So this is the time, the plant delivery time. This is the time, the overall in transit time from the supplier to the warehouse to the company. You see, this is the in transit time. Okay. For example, this is taking 30 days to ship. Yeah. Everybody understood? What is the plant delivery time? Srinivas, clear? Plant delivery time?
Sir.
Yeah, that's my
Yes, sir.
in transit time. This is my receiving time. This is my PO conversion time. Yeah, rec to PO conversion time. So what is my total lead time now? My total lead time is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 30. Everybody understood now how total lead time is calculated for the purchasing? Yeah, very, very important. You need to have this whole discussion with the end user in the workshop at the plant SKU level. Yeah, then you put all these together and then you come and do the configuration. Everybody understood this? Hopefully understood. Okay, good. Let's continue. So now you know the 3 fields. One field is GR, goods receiving processing time. You see this one? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. The second one is plant delivery time. You got this one? Okay, good. Okay, good. Then what else we have here? See, in-house production time. So that is the one you use for production. So this is for the purchasing and this is the production. Yeah. So production, the total lead time is, total lead time is this one. You are saying that I am, so the production planner. Yeah. Production. Okay, so let's say plant order to production order. Okay, understood? Yeah, Srinivas, plant order to production order conversion. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
And the second one is in-house production. That's it. There's no GR. There is no, yeah. So in-house production.
Yes.
Okay, in-house production time. And then, so this is in-house production time. Then you have, so keep thinking about this. You got the converted, yeah? And then what are you doing? Keep
We are
thinking.
going to.
Yeah.
We are going to issue the goods, right, sir?
Yeah. So GI. Okay. So this is the GI. So raw material release. Okay. Okay. Raw material release. So this is GI. Okay. Agree? Goods issue.
Yes.
Of the raw material. After that, the step is in-house production. Okay. In-house
Yes, sir.
production. After in-house production time, you have GR of finished good.
Finish.
Agree, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is how you think in the process, and you say, okay, it takes a plan order to production order, maybe it takes 2 days. Okay, good. How much time you are the warehouse guy is taking to release all the raw material? Okay, 2 days using the BOM, bill of material. 2 days. In-house production, or let's say 5 days. Or how much time once it is done? Oh, it takes 1 day. Okay, so what is the total lead time for the production? Is this plus this plus this plus this. You got that? 10 days? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if somebody says, oh, you missed one thing here because you do the QA check here. Yeah. Agree?
Yes,
One
sir.
day.
Quality.
Yeah. 1 day. So then you say, okay, let's add here plus the QA check. Yeah. 11 days. Everybody understood the difference between the production lead time and the purchasing lead time, and how are they calculated? Very, very important. As a consultant, you need to be very good in all these details. Yeah. And if you miss one or two, and then the whole planning will be wrong, because the planning will give you a wrong date. Yeah. This is the problem come in IBP, because the IBP guys don't understand all these details. And then they say, oh, why is generating a planned order at the wrong date? Why? Because you are not understanding the ingredients of the lead time. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Your knowledge level is only this. Your total lead time is equal to 11 days. How this 11 came, you need to know that details. Yes, Srinivas?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then only you can do troubleshooting okay, good. So now you know that. So I already showed all these. The only one I have to show is PO processing time. Okay. Where is that in the SAP PO processing? You saw that here, in-house, goods receiving and plant delivery. Let me show you the PO processing time. Okay. The PO processing time is that guy gone. Everybody is going good with the class or feeling tired? I'm not
No,
tired
sir.
yeah, because I'm a
It's
guy.
given.
Good, sir.
Everybody's okay. Yeah, okay, good. There are 70 people enrolled in the class, and I know the 5 comes. It always happened. Ravia, you remember 400 people signed, and how many remain? This is not for everybody.
Sir, I think only 2.
Only 2 from the first batch. You remember that? We opened Srinivas an free class for 1 year, supply chain fundamental plus SAP. 400 plus enrolled. And they cannot hold. This is too much for them, so they left. Yeah, but because I do it for free, that's why they easy for them to leave also. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going back and showing you the PO processing time. That's the only thing I've not showed. The rest is in the MM. This is not in the MM. So okay. So then we go to the SPRO. Okay, and then we go here to materials management. This one, and purchasing. This one. And then purchase requisition, purchase requisition, this guy. And here you see processing time, this one. Very, very important. So here you are setting at the plant level. You see, at the plant level, you are saying, hey, I need 3 days or 2 days or whatever. See, in 1710, how much is set here? 3 days.
3 days.
Okay. Now you understood this is getting added as per our formula. You see, the PO processing time here is 3 days. Yeah, you see.
Yes, sir.
This is kind of added, and then the GR time. You know that we have this. These two are in the material master. Yeah, this one is in the SPRO. Yeah, this is in the SPRO. Okay, very good. Let's keep going. Okay, so we got that thing done. Let's go back. So what was Afifa, that item is then MM03? What was that item? 20500. What was that material? What is the plant?
1710.
Okay. Okay. And then we have 1710. This is 171C. This is the 10 we have. Okay, this is something I think is going to go away. 177C does not happen. Oh, this thing is okay. Oh, we just did this one or no? What happened? We just did this one, yeah? Why it is not here now? Did we try another item?
So the plant was 1720, I guess, because we extended to it.
No, but it should not be the problem. Because we did the extension from 1710, yeah?
Yes.
That was interesting. We just did that thing. Material not in sales org distribution channel this. Okay.
Some other sales organization, you can check. Sir, you can change, yeah, F4.
No, it is not here. Why it is not here? It should be. Do not exist for this material. Okay, so we'll look into the sales data later. Let's continue on our data. The sales data, we have to extend that one. Okay, good. Let's go back here. Okay, so this is good. We covered that. The net requirement calculation is very important, is in the MRP, how the demand and the supply delta is calculated. How much demand we have, how much supply. I have covered in the previous class. If you all remember the demand and the supply. Yeah. What is safety stock? Anybody remember what is the safety stock? Is it demand or supply?
Supply.
Supply. Okay.
So it is the stock to fulfill the unexpected demand.
Yeah, it's a stock to fulfill the unexpected demand. When we do the net requirement calculation of FIFA, it is considered as a demand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Always be focused. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, we'll cover that topic. I'm not going to go more on that now because this is the core MRP topics. And what else I have here important? Yeah, this is all core MRP topics. I'll go with that later. Okay, good. I think this is good enough for this one. Let's go back on our side, because if I open that topic, then I will be teaching you MRP completely. Okay, let's go on to the mass data maintenance. I think I'm done with this one. Okay, so now let's go to the mass data maintenance. Okay, this is important topic. Let me show you the document here, and then we follow the document. Stop sharing. Once again, the classes are 4 days a week now. Monday, Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. EST. Saturday, Sunday, 10 p.m., 10 a.m., 10 a.m. EST. Tomorrow, the class will start at 10:30, 9:30 a.m. I'm going to do the LinkedIn live show to show SAP and Claude co-work. And then we start the class at 11 a.m. tomorrow. So just to make sure that you all remember. Okay, so this is the mass maintenance. The purpose of mass maintenance is, the business scenario is, you cannot do MM02 and change it. This is too much work. So how you do? SAP has provided this. You can, I will share this in the Google Drive. You can read all that. Let's understand that the business case is that, for example, here in basic data 1, I have to change the material group for more than for all the items or 50 items or 100 items. So it's too much manually going MM02 and changing the material group. So how can I do that? That is known as mass maintenance. Okay, the T code for is MASS. Very easy to remember, MASS. Okay, so how you do that? Let's follow this route. So you go to that, go to MM17, or you have a MASS also there. Yeah, go there, the mass maintenance, and then you select the table. Srinivas, always remember you know that if you have to change this, you click on that and then you find the table related to this material group. Yeah, going to the technical side. Yeah, so each field is, you can click on the that help and technical details and find the table where this field is connected to which table. So find that one first, and once you know that table, then you come here and then select that particular table. For example, material group is part of Mara. Okay, so select Mara here. So here, table and fields. Once you select the table, then go to the other tab, which is fields. I will show the demo. Don't worry, just understand this. Then go to the fields and select the material group. You see, table and field. Mara MATKL. Yeah, this is how you select the table and the field which you want to update for more than one material. Okay, then you go here and you select the material. You just copy paste the material from Excel to here, and all the material will show up here. Okay, understood? So you do that material, you enter the material numbers here, or copy paste from Excel, do that. Once you are done with that, then you come here and then you carry out, I want to see. Now for all this material group, this was my old material group. I want this old material group not 002, because I'm classified it as something like a raw material liquid, raw material bulky, raw material, whatever the other subcategory of the raw material I have created now. So I want all these material group materials to be moved from material group 002 to 001. So I will put that new material group here, and what it will do, the new material group will override all the old material group for these particular materials what you have selected. Okay, so now we do that, and what will happen, check the test, do the test here, and then once your testing is good, everything is 001, then adopt it. Click on this guy to adopt it, and once you adopted it, everything is done. See, all save changes has happened, and now you are here to go back in MM03 and see that particular item whether the material group has been changed or not for all the material. Do it for random check for 2 or 3 of them and say, oh, everybody is changed now. Good. You see how the mass maintenance is done? Everybody understood that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's check in the SAP. So the reason I show you these documents is I don't want you to believe that I'm over smart and I remember everything. Yeah, so whatever I am doing, I'm showing it to you. So you can do it yourself. My smartness is not in remembering those things. My smartness is different. Okay. Okay, now you see the screen here. Okay, can you see my SAP screen now? Yeah, okay, you see my SAP screen now? Okay, good. Okay, now you follow that. I just show you the document, so we will follow exactly that thing. Okay. So now I'm going to show you. I'll just show you, not to do all the steps and all, but just to show you. Okay, so then we have, see, I told you MASS also. You see, object type. What is the object type? You have to select, like, what are you doing here? Oh, I want to, which of the master data you want to update, or the transaction data you want to update. You see, so I want to do the material. Select materials. You see, and then execute. You see, this one is. You see, and now he's asking you, hey, what do you want to update here? Oh, I want to do material group update. Okay, material group is where? Is in the Mara table. Okay, select the Mara table. Following Srinivas? Yeah, Mara
Yes,
table.
sir.
Okay, then you go to the field side. Okay, then you say, hey, you want to do the material group? So select the material group. Okay, select the Yes, material group. Okay. Now you got the table selected, a material group selected, whatever you want to change. You say, no, I want to change the base unit. Okay. I want to change this unit, document type, whatever you want to change, dimensions, you know. So whatever you want to change, purchase value key. I want to change purchase value key. Okay. You change the purchase value key. Yeah. You select it. Whatever you want to change, select it, run this. Yeah. One more thing here before I run, you see, you can bring the data directly from your Excel file also. You save a lot of time. You put the whole thing here and then you upload it for material group purchase, whatever you want to change, and you can upload it directly from here also. Okay. So it's not like you're doing it manually. Yeah. So you learn that. Okay. So you select that one, whatever you want to change, and do this one and see this is okay. You see, now it's asking me which material you want to change. Yeah, which material you want to change. So now you go here, you see all the data, you can enter all that here, you copy paste it here. Yeah, from the Excel you can copy paste it, or you can see here export as a file. You see that here. So you can do that. Import, see, this is the import, this is the one. You see, if I say import, I can import it here. Yeah, for example, if I say let's do that here just to show you the fun. Okay, see here, these are my materials. Yeah, these are my materials. Copy. Okay, and duplication here, no duplication. Okay, good. And then I go here. Okay, go here. Okay, and then is it going to take the CSV file or my Excel file? Let's see. Multiple selection. Import fresh file. It's asking me that. Let's see if it's take that guy or not. File in use. Okay, forget this. Guys are testing. Okay, what is this? Some error came, I think. The material is no longer the length as continue. Okay, what is that? It is okay, forget that one for now. So what I'm going to
leading, sir, leading zero city is required, sir.
Oh yeah, leading zero. I have to cover that also in the class. I have kept it as leading zeros. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this one from here, copy, and then I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to do this one, upload from the clipboard. You see?
Yes.
Yeah. So there's another way of doing it, the faster. But Excel is also, we'll do that later, whatever the leading zero problem. But this is the clipboard. I copy from there, I pasted it here. Okay. Okay. Many ways of doing that, but learn all that. Okay. Now you did see this is all here now. You see the green is means there are multiple values here. Yeah. Okay. So now you know that. Okay. And then you do this one here. You see what I'm changing? Material group and purchasing value key. You see? And new values, whatever the material group I want to change and the purchasing value I want to change. Yeah. For material group, for example, I want to change it to 02. I don't know 02 is available or not. 02 is available. Yeah. Okay. See, I want to change the material to 02 and I want to change the purchasing value group to 1. So all these items, I want the purchasing value key to be 1 and the material group to be 2. Everybody understood till now? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay. So then you have done this one, enter it here, and then what you are doing here is perform mask change. Yeah, perform mask change. You see, done. Mask change is done or not?
Yes, sir. It is done.
Wow, amazing. Okay, then you save it. Okay, you want to save your changes, blah blah blah. Yeah. See, mask change is done. All those items have been updated now, and you are done. Mask change is done, and you go to the you go to the thing MM03, and you are where is that item you are seeing? Let's say 58 here, plant 777. What is the plant here? Z014, 58Z014. Okay, let's test that one. 58Z014. Okay, let's test whether the material group and that is changed or not. Yeah. Okay, so where I will find that material group purchasing value queue, I will find it here. Let's do that, and Z014, Z014. Okay, what is the material group here? 02. What is the purchasing value key here? 1. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, successfully completed the demo of that part. Okay, so now this is done. Okay, total lead time done. Okay, yeah, this is another important point. Change master record. What is this? Change. Yeah, very, very important. Change master record. Okay, so where is that guy? Change master record. If you study with me, I will teach you whole day. I tell you, this is my problem. My problem is okay. Okay, do you see my other screen now? Do you see my this screen? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So you see here what we have here. So this one is what I think I covered already. Yeah, unit of measure is done. Then what is this one? Yeah, we have to do this guy. The leading zero part I have to show you. We'll come back to this one. This one is what is that one? And all these are the links in the important link. Okay, don't think that oh I opened something. No, I'm opening whatever is yellow here. I want to show you this now. Change master record. Okay. Yeah, this one I think. This is very important. See, master data management is as a consultant is a very important topic. As a power user in a company is very important topic. Material master is a brain, as you understood. Every department is using it. Now somebody will get a job as a master data analyst or master data manager. Okay, or as a co-role, maybe you are a buyer or a planner and you have been assigned this job of master data manager also together. Yeah, what you will do, everybody will send you the requisition. You know, I want to change the material group, I want to increase I want to have the planning data change like this, lot size this, blah blah blah. They're sending you the requisitions, and what you are doing the changes. But how you will track all that, who have sent you and when and all that? So how you do change control? Okay, so this is how it is a change control. How you do the change control, I will show you in the. So this is what the change control is. If you see, this is what, when you do the MM01, you have to first create a change number. Whoever is requesting any department, you have to tell them, hey, production planner or inventory planner, you know, I'm a master data manager assigned this role, but I want you to create a change number for me and send me the request with the change number. So I use your change number to update the material master, so that next time somebody asks me why you change all these planning parameters, I can tell you I use this change number requested by this person, this planner. Everybody understood the business scenario of that, why we are creating a change number? Yeah, and who is creating a change number? The one who is requesting to change the master data is sending you the change number. Okay. Okay, hopefully you understood that part. And the T code here is what? CC01. Okay, CC01. Everybody remember now? Okay. And rest of the document you can read on your own, because I want to save some time and show you in the SAP. Okay, you are seeing my Excel file again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have, this is the role of you as a master data. Because you know why I'm trying to bring all these together here, because now the industry is now looking for like a silo role, you know, like, oh, you are a buyer, you are a planner, you are this. No, the more you can take on the roles, the more valuable you are for the company. Okay, more valuable for the company. Okay, so you see here change master record, the T code is CC01. Let's go and see that one. So this part is all over now, and then we go here and let's go CC01. Okay, so now you see here, this is CC01. Okay, okay, see here, change number, whatever the change number is generated, let's say 100 change number. Yeah, got that. Yeah, and now it's saying update planning parameters and Okay, and reason for change, changing planning method, valid from today, change number status active. Okay, you understood all that details, what I'm entering here? Yeah, I'm creating a change number. Yeah, okay, save it. Okay, it's created, 100 number is created. Okay, now you go here slash and mm02. Okay, now I want to see what is this here, change number. Everybody sees this change number. I have created a change number 100, so I'm going to refer it here. So now if I change here the MRP parameters, yeah, so if are not supported for this number. So okay, so when I change the MRP parameters, now I have a change number assigned to it. Okay, suppose they are not supported for the change number 100, so then it is not supported for the change number 100. I have to check that. So let's see here, MM01. It is available in both here and there. So I have this one. Let's see. Okay, so this is the error. I have to check why it is not accepting. You want to edit an object with change number 100. However, this change number does not contain the indicator that allows this object to be changed. If you are authorized to change the change master, set this indicator for the object concerned. Otherwise, consult. Okay, so it's something in that number. Let's go back to slash and CC02. What is missing here to change? Okay. What is the authorization group? Maybe that one is changing. Something I have to enter it here to allow. Okay, that is not there. Oh, this one. Sorry, this one I forgot. Too fast. Material. Click on this guy here. Material. Yeah. Click on this guy. Save it. Okay. Now good. That's what happened when you are rushing on things. Okay. Okay. Now it will go. Generation do not supported for change object. Why is that? Not supported for change object. Okay, let's see. Not supported for change object. Why is not supporting?
Sir, can you display that change number?
100.
Yeah, you are trying to change again.
I'm trying to change again. What do you mean change again?
See, you created the change number, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Again, you are planning to change the same number. That's why it is throwing the error.
No, I'm not planning to change. I'm updating the object type here. I'm not changing the number. I'm in CC02 now. I'm not CC01. I'm CC02. You see? I'm trying
Yeah.
to update this because I want that the first time it was not allowing. I selected material here. So it allowed me now. Yeah. So what I'm seeing is that is it somewhere else it is holding, which I want to select here so that it will, you see. So let's see if this. So now I updated that. So MM02. Okay. So the error has changed, but now the error is different. Generation not supported for change object. Okay. So if I go to here, MN01, and then you do 20500. Or we can do that later if this does not work later. Okay, so I think I will check that change number, how to do that. Let's keep it for the at least you learn how to create a number, but how to that error, I will solve that error in my own time. All right, good. All right, then we have the last topic is shelf life. Okay, that's the last topic we have is the shelf life. Okay, so now let's go here and see the shelf life. Where is the shelf life here? Afifa, you remember shelf life?
In the basic data 2, sir.
Which one?
Plant data storage 2.
Plant data storage 2. Okay, very good. So where is the plant data storage 2? It's not here or this one? Where is the shelf life of FIFA? You guessed it?
No, sir. It should be, see, the thing is, shelf life means you are going to maintain the product, how much duration the productivity is going to there, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that means it should be there in the basic data 1, 2. Can you check the 2, please?
Okay, no problem. I'm showing you the document. Okay. So you see my document now? I have a whole
Yes, sir.
document for that. Yeah.
Sir, in plant data storage 1.
Okay, very good. So you see the document now. So you will follow this document and you all will be good. Okay. So total shelf life. The most important fields you maintain here is we do the configuration. I'll show you the configuration, and then here plant data storage 1, you have shelf life data. You see minimum shelf life and total shelf life. You see minimum shelf life and total shelf life. This is the data you will go, and then you can do that. Okay, so this is we'll look into that, and the configuration is this one: SPRO, batch management, and SLED. Okay, and then we do. Okay, perfect. So we'll follow this one. This document, if you say from where it came from this one, shelf life. Okay, that's the last topic for today is shelf life. This one. Okay, which is a very detailed document. You definitely should read it. It has a business theory and it has a configuration. Both sides of different scenario. There are 3 cases there. You need to look into that. I will explain that now in the SAP. Everybody good now? Okay. This is, I tell you, because this is the class I'm teaching from last 2 years now. So, a lot of data information has been gathered. So which is good. It saved time for me to remember all that. Okay. You are seeing my SAP screen again now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So it is this one here. Plant data 1, you see, shelf life data, this one, this whole data. So maximum storage space, minimum remaining shelf life, total shelf life, period indicator for SLED, rounding. Okay, so the most important one here is minimum remaining shelf life and total shelf life. Okay, understand this part. Okay. Afifa, you remember the difference between these two, minimum remaining shelf life and that one?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Shelf life. Okay. So what you do here is that, for example, this is my product SKU. Yeah, SKU 123, and the supplier has shipped, and supplier said the production date is, let's say the production date is, um, it's um, 1st January 2025. Okay. 1st January 2025. Okay, that's my production date, and then my expiry date, yeah, is, let's say, 1st January 2027. Okay. Okay. This is the data you're getting from where? Supplier. Okay. Everybody good till now? Okay. So now you are saying that my total shelf life, how much is my total shelf life, Srinivas, now, based on the supplier data you got?
Uh, 2 years.
Very good, 2 years. Yeah, my total shelf life is 2 years. Okay. Now, so you got this one. Yeah, total shelf life. Okay. Now this one, minimum remaining shelf life. What is? Who is going to give you this data? Minimum remaining shelf life. Any guess? While I'm drinking my tea.
Sir, manufacturer.
Manufacturer has given this data, Rabia. Yeah, this is the manufacturer data. Yeah, you see, this is the manufacturer data.
The retailer is going to give that minimum remaining shelf life.
Retailer. This is the company.
See, the
Supplier is shipping to the company. Yeah.
yeah. Minimum.
Okay. Let me continue. So what happened is that this is something you decide with meeting with the sales and marketing. Okay. With whom? Sales and marketing. Yeah. Like you decide that. For example, let's take the product as um, let's take the product as um, your iPhone. Okay. Agree? Okay. iPhone, whatever the production date, this date, my total shelf life is 2 years, for example. Yeah, whatever. Let's take for now. Okay. Now what will happen for this product? They will say that the company will say that we cannot sell this if only 2 months is remaining. Okay. Because nobody is going to buy that. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Nobody is going to buy that because they say the iPhone is not a good example. Let me take something, let's say rice. How about now? We all understand Indian Pakistani. Yeah, rice. Yeah. Everybody good with rice now? Yeah. The rice bag is saying 2 years total shelf life, and the minimum shelf life to sell to the customer is 2 months. Customer is never going to buy if it is less than 2 months. Everybody understood? Yeah. This example is good now. Nabiya, you understood? You got a bag of rice from the grocery store and you asked, hey, how long this will hold is good? It says from the date of the farming is 2 years from the date of the farming. Okay, very good. But how much time left now from that date? It's only 2 months left from that date. Yeah, that is the minimum shelf life. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
the customer, you are making sure that you are not shipping to the customer if it is past the minimum shelf life. You are not going to do a goods issue, yes, to customer in SAP if the item is less than 2 months. Everybody now understood the business use case? Yeah. A customer ordered, and you are working in a agriculture company, and the customer ordered you 10 bags of rice, and the minimum shelf life in your material master is 2 months. If your SAP allows the warehouse to do a goods issue for that particular batch, then it's a problem or not? If it is less than 2 months remaining minimum shelf life, yeah.
Yes,
Your customer is going to return those bags. Yeah, say, hey, why you gave me these old ones? Yeah. Okay. So that's why you need to control that. How you control that? You control here in the material master. Everybody understood total shelf life and this one? Yeah. So this is what you decide. Yeah. You decide on that one. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now let's go to the configuration side because I want you to understand this. And now you will say, what about goods received? Okay, very important. When supplier ship the material, you are doing a goods receipt, GR101. Yeah. And when you are doing a GR101, the total shelf life remaining, yeah, is, let's say the total shelf life is 2 years, and now you are doing a GR101 and you are entering a production, it asks you to enter the production date or expiry date. I will show you that in GR. It asks you that. So you can enter a production date or expiry date. Yeah, SLED, expiry date. Okay, so so then if you enter this item, you enter here that the production date you are doing for this GR 101 is it's 1 January 2025, and I'm doing a GR on 7th March 2027 or 2026. Yeah, and my shelf life is only 1 year. Do you think that my GR will allow you to receive me?
No, sir.
As soon as I enter this date, the GR will block me. Agree?
Yes, sir.
He said, no, you cannot do that. Yeah, because this is 2026. Agree? So the warehouse guy don't have to check it because system is controlling it. Agree? It's not going to allow because it's already expired. Why you are receiving an expired product? Yes? The GR is going to hold that. So this is where you do the shelf life configuration at the plant level. Yeah, this is the plant level and at the goods movement level. At the goods movement level. Yes? Everybody understood? Goods movement level and the plant level. Okay? Okay. Now you go back here in the configuration. Very, very important. I tell you, if you join a company where it's more perishable products, even Rabia, if you go and join a clothing company in a UAE or somewhere, and they make
Sir,
which one?
sir, mostly we used to maintain the shelf life for dairy products.
Dairy product is very common, perishable. Yeah, this is the perishable you control. But even in the clothing company, because it goes with seasonality and the fashion, so they control this part also. It's not about the whether the product is good or not, but they want to control that. Hey, if it is old fashioned or something, then they can control through shelf life also. Yes.
Yes, sir. Pharma companies
Pharma company is
also
very
very
important.
important
Yeah,
to the.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
because your pharma company has a, like is, you cannot sell the expired product, even in any product. Yeah, so you need to, pharma company is very important. Shelf life and the perishable grocery industry, very important. Shelf life. Yes, certain industries which are very heavy on shelf life data. Okay, so now we are going to see how to configure this at the plant level and at the goods movement level. Okay, both level, because you saw it's important for GR, it's important for GI. Okay, so now you go here and you SPRO batch management. So batch management is here in the logistic general. We will have a whole class on the batch management, how to create batch and all that. But now, for now, the shelf life data, you see here the SLED. SLED is what? Shelf life expiration date. Yeah, SLED. If you go on this one and you see here, set expiration date check, this one, and you go here and see, set expiration date check, activate expiration date per plant. So it has two of those, one for the movement type. You see, all the movement type, you are setting it. Whenever you are doing a GR101, I want you to do the check, enter the date, the expiration date, and check the material master, whether it's good to receive or not. Okay, you understood the importance of enter and check? Yeah. I want you to enter the date there. The warehouse guy has to enter it, and I want the system to check the material master, the total shelf life and the minimum shelf life, and then allow the warehouse guy to receive it or not, or issue an error or warning. Everybody understood why it is important to do like that? Yeah. So this is a goods receipt. Then you can say, hey, I want to do it for the goods issue also. Okay, so the goods issue, you can set it for sales order or for whatever orders you have, even for the inter company goods transfer posting. So you have all the movement types where you can set it. Okay, good. Then even for the returns also. Yes, Rabia, in the returns also is possible. You don't want customer to send you the old items. Yeah, you can control that
Yes, sir.
return. Yeah, you can say, hey, it is very old, why are you returning now? Because my system is not going to allow that. Agree? So there's a, like,
Yes, sir. There is a time period for returning the items, like
returning
15
from,
days or 10 days,
exactly, you can
according to
control.
the yes, sir, according to the industry.
Mhm. So you need to, why I'm showing all this, as a consultant, when you sit in front of the customer and you have a workshop going on about shelf life, make sure you ask all these questions. Don't be too much on that, hey, what is the shelf life, and I just said minimum and I'm done. No, ask all these questions. Do you want to do in all the receiving, which type of receiving product you want to control, which type of shipping product you want to control, which type of returns product you want to control, which plants you want to control, which supplier, like, go with all that thing, so you have a good idea of the topic. Yeah. Okay, so this is the movement type. Then you have here, the second one is this one, activate expiration. So go here, this is a plant type. You see, you want to activate at the particular plant. If I want to do it 1710, I activate it. Okay, so you understood now, activating is important. And second thing is that you are movement type check and date. Okay, you got that point now. Okay, once you're done with that and you have updated the material master, which I already showed you, the material master, this here, this data, minimum shelf life and total shelf life. Yeah, I showed you that. The last part now is the GR part. What will happen in the GR side is, if I go here and I just take one example here. I think I can, let me try this guy first. Let me, if it is there or not. Where is that field of in the GR? GR, batch data. Okay, it has to be activated, otherwise it will not show, because that's the batch data. You don't have a batch data here. Then until it will show that activation. Okay. What is the table for as shelf life data, Srinivas? Check the shelf life data table. Shelf life data. CPMM table. We need a table where the shelf life is managed. SE16N. Okay. Mark has the shelf life data. Okay. MARC has a shelf life data. Okay. So here you have the shelf life data. Where is that shelf life data? Shelf life data. This is the last topic. So just have patience. Okay, finish that. Okay, so where is my shelf life data here? Shelf life data. Okay. Shelf life data. Shelf life. Batch management. Serial number, rounding table,
Sir,
safety cut.
click on find button.
Oh, find button. Okay, let me do that. Shelf life. Shelf. Yeah, see, local dependent shelf life, yeah. Minimum shelf life. You see, you got the data here, yeah. Minimum shelf life. Okay, good. I got the shelf life data here. Minimum shelf life, maximum shelf life. Okay. Okay, let's see if somebody has managed that guy here. Okay, so this field is not managed in the shelf life. So the shelf life is not managed. Where is the batch data? If there is a batch data, then we can see that GR. Let me see. Batch data in SAP MM. Which table is that? SAP MM table. We all have to be very good in table side, I tell you. If you're good in table, you are very good in SAP. If you're scared of
So
table,
we
yeah.
so we enter this shelf life in MM01 when we create material master.
No, I want to show Rabia in the GR101 because the material master is already here. You see this one.
Yes, sir.
You see, I can change this one like 58. Let me do it first. You are right. Let me do it first. That 58 and plant is what? Z014 171A. Okay, 58 Z014. Just remember that one. Let's do here MM02. And then we'll go 58. Okay, which data was that one? No, not this one. Plant data, yeah? Yeah, this one, storage one. Okay, this I don't need this data here. Okay, and we are putting a minimum shelf life here of let's say 10 days and total shelf life. Is it year or days? You have to always check. You don't guess it, okay? Always check. Total shelf life is what? Days. Period for which the material will keep in total from the date of production to this one. Value entered, the system assumes that the date entered is this one. The period, day, week, month, it depends on the entry on the period indicator field. See, it's controlled by what? The period indicator field. So if I'm entering here 360, what is 360 means? Because it's controlled by this one, period indicator SLED, 360 days. Yes. You see, 360 days. Yes, you see. If I say here 2 year, 2, then it means I want to change this guy to year. Everybody understood why you have to manage that number here and this one here, and this one is a days. I think this is the days. The Oh, this is also a period indicator. Okay, so it's a period indicator is both. So I would definitely go with this one as the days. So I can manage this as 10 days or 20 or 30 days remaining here, and then this one I will go with 360 days total shelf life, for example, for now. Okay, so I did this one. I saved it. Data must be entered. Yeah, she's saying data production must be entered for this is because I'm managing this data. So now it's going to ask me to enter the data of production. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, so now I know that. So let's go here /n ME21N. Let's see if we get this data. Supplier, how I get the let me see if I get the supplier. Which supplier is that one? Let's say 35. If I get that 35 here, 58. Okay, we need a lot of sample data. FIFA, you're not doing good job, huh? You need to be working with me every week. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's not good. You know, one of your colleague is gone now because of that. So then we have what is the number I said? Z014. Okay, so here is the plant Z014. So this is my Z014. It saves my time, yeah, because you cannot do all that. Yeah? You're not helping me, you're helping yourself. Agree? Okay. No moderator for supplier 35. I know the supplier is going to be a headache because I didn't tested it. Has been not created for this purchase organization. Okay, so then Rabia, this will be a problem, yeah? Oh, this will be a problem, Rabia. How I find something interesting here. Okay, so forget that thing. The another way to check that is don't issue the PO. Yeah.
Sir, I have one more question.
Yeah,
There
please
is a
ask.
there is a Incoterms, right?
Yeah,
While
yeah,
creating the PO.
yeah,
So what is the purpose of that Incoterms? It is
yeah.
going to consider the cost, all the costs, planning cost, as well as the distribution cost, everything.
No. Incoterms is between the terms between supplier and the company. You know, have you heard FOB, all that thing? Freight on board. Yeah. So this is an international terms between the suppliers and the company, which is known as Incoterms, which is consists of two parts. One is the ownership part, like, hey, who owns the product when it is in transit? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay. Who owns? The supplier owns or the company owns the product? Okay. If the shipment is in ocean and it sinks, then who is going to claim the insurance? The supplier or the company? Okay. So that is the first thing, is the ownership part. When is the ownership transferred from the supplier to the company? Is it at the port of the supplier or is it the port of the company? Which one? Okay. Okay. That's the one thing. The second thing is that who has insured for that product? The supplier has insured or the company has insured? Everybody understood now? Yeah. So based on that, we have different types of Incoterms already standard created by the whole world. That is FOB and there are many other. I will share that whole document I've shared in the last class. I will save that in the Google Drive and I will save and then share the link. So you can read all those terms and where is that ownership has been transferred, you need to know how to read that chart, because that chart is a standard chart. The whole world uses that. Yeah, in
Okay.
terms, and every year they publish a new chart. Yeah, every year, you see, you need to know how to read this chart. You see this chart now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to know how to read this chart, because see, from the factory to the warehouse, you see, this is all the income. SAP is asking you enter these numbers: EXW, FOB. I was telling you FOB. Yeah, FOB, CFR, CIF. This is what you are entering in SAP. Exactly same. The whole, whether it's
Yes.
SAP or Oracle or Microsoft Dynamics or anybody, they all have to follow international terms. Yeah, international terms of shipment. And this is the between factory and warehouse. First of all is the ownership. See, is the orange versus blue is what is that? This is the buyer and this is the seller. So if you are saying my Incoterm is EXW, means the buyer is taking the ownership immediately from the factory onwards. That's it. Yeah. But if I say, no, I want to go with the FOB, then FOB means, okay, the buyer is going to take the ownership from the port of shipment from here onwards. Yeah. And if I say, no, let's go with the CIF, which is more common. CIF is very common, where the buyer is going to take the ownership at the port of destination. I'm getting a shipment in Canada from China. I'm going to take it from the port, Montreal port only. All onwards, that will be my ownership. Till Montreal port, anything happens, the China supplier is responsible. Have you understood this chart?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand now.
Very good. Okay.
That means it is a intercompany terms.
Yeah, intercompany terms between the supplier and the company. Yeah, yeah. This is the factory. You see, this is the terms they are following, and the whole world follows exactly this one, so that there is no argument. See the risk transfer. You see the risk transfer. Yeah.
Based on issue, sir.
What is it?
Today, when I'm trying to create the PO, okay, it is asking for the Incoterms. Okay?
Yeah. This is the one. This is the one.
I am not able to create because of the Incoterm. I remove the Incoterm, then I can able to create that. Okay. But by using the transaction code, I try to create by BAPI function technically.
Okay, then.
So I remove that option, the Incoterm, then I can able to create the PO.
Yeah, because you do. I will show you the configuration of that one. Yeah, it's if the.
I checked it, sir. I checked it.
Check it. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So you're good with now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right, so that's we are going to cover the Incoterms topic in the business partner, because that comes under the supplier master data. Okay, so it's not a material master, it's a supplier master. So we'll do that in that. Okay, so what I was saying is that you see here, Rabia, you can do MyGo without a PO also. Yeah, for testing purpose. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So you do here other. Yeah, other. Agree? So you can do MyGo 101, with other. Yeah. And then you enter that material 58. I'm just trying to see that one just for testing. So you got the 58 material here. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. And then item. Okay. Then you go the quantity. You enter the quantity 10. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. Good. Then you have this whole plant. You see the plant is what? Z014, and the storage location is your what is the store? 171A and 71C, whatever that one. Okay, you got that. Yeah, you got that. And then you have what else you have here? Quantity good. This is good. Yeah, this is the one I want to show. Rabia, see this one? I was trying to find this guy. You see? Data manufacturer and SLED. You see?
Yes,
sir. Not able to see your screen.
I am sharing my screen or not?
No, you are not sharing your screen.
Sir, you are sharing your screen.
I'm sharing my screen. Yeah.
You are sharing your screen, but the thing is different one.
Okay, see if you are everybody is seeing goods receipt. Am I going in my screen or not? I am seeing in my laptop.
Yes, sir. It's
Yes, sir,
visible.
we are seeing.
Okay, Srinivas, try that again.
Join again.
Yeah, join again or try again. Yeah, because I'm seeing that. So this is something we set up this item 58 with the in the material master for minimum shelf life and total shelf life. So because we have set up that, now what is asking you is to enter this data. You see the data of manufacturer and SLED. Yes, this is the one you asking you to do that. And the plant is Z014. So if I go here and I want to see whether that is configured or not, SPRO, yeah, SPRO, let's have a quick check on that. Where was that? Or logistic general, material master, where was that one? Anybody remember? Settings field one, SLED. Where was that? Let me check my document. I forgot. Oh, you forgot. You forgot. Where was that? SLED. Okay, it is in the logistic general and then batch management. Not here. Logistic general and then batch management, which is this guy, and then we have we have here the SLED. Okay, perfect. Okay, we go here. I just showed you. We're checking it again at the plant level. I know at the 101 level we saw it is there. Yeah, GR 101. But I want to see at the plant level whether the plant we are looking is there or not. What is the plant we have? Z014. Yeah, that's the plant I want to see. See Z0. See, Rabia, it is set. Yeah. That one is set. Yeah. If it is
Yes, sir.
set like that, then only when you are doing a goods receipt, you will see this here. If you didn't set it, it will not show up here. Okay. If somebody says, hey, why
Okay,
am I
sir.
not seeing here and you are seeing here? Because you have not set your plant for this. Activate the shelf life. Yeah. You need to activate it here. Then only you can see when you are doing you have to activate the 101 for shelf life, and you have to activate the plant for shelf life. Everybody understood now? Yeah, you have to activate the plant for shelf life, and you have to activate the goods movement for shelf life. Then only you will be asked for this data. And then you have to, third thing is that you have to go to the material master storage location and set minimum shelf life and that. Yeah. So now I have, you all remember I have set up that one. Yeah, the 30 days and 1 year. For example, if I enter here, yeah, my date of manufacture is 5 March. Okay, Rabia, 5 March. Yeah. What will happen now? What should happen? What will happen? We'll see. Maybe error. But what should happen if I'm still setting it 5 March here? Yeah.
Sir, it will cause error.
Yeah, because what is my minimum shelf life? Yeah.
One
For this
minimum
item,
is
we
30
set up
days.
this item minimum shelf
30.
30 days. Yeah. And the total is 1 year. Yeah. Total shelf life. So
Yeah.
now it's going to calculate using this
Yeah.
data. Yes. Agree? So
Yes, sir.
it is going to so the date of manufacture is this. Yes. So what is my the minimum shelf life is 30. Date of manufacture is this. So why you think is going to give an error?
Sir,
Okay, let's see. Little not confusing, but it's after 2 hours of class, the mind goes like that. Okay, so if you see this this data here, you see this data here, and you do the calculation. My date of manufacture, the production date is 5th March. Okay, 5th March. Let's go this here. My production date is 5th March 2026. Okay, everybody understood? Ravi, are good now? Yeah. Okay. Okay. And my shelf life is this one. Yeah. And my minimum shelf life is 30 days. Everybody good now? Rabia, you're following that part? Yeah. Okay. So I'm doing a
Yes, sir.
GR here, and my production date is this. So what will, based on the production date, what will be my expiry date? 1 year. Yeah. 1 year. Yes. So my expiry date based on
Yes,
this,
sir.
it will be 5th March 2027. Agree? Yes. And what will be my the date of uh, uh, minimum shelf life expiry? Shelf life uh, uh, will be 30 days remaining. What is my 30 days remaining? 30 days remaining will be 5th February 2027. Now you follow that? 30
Yes,
days.
sir.
You see the 30 days where I'm getting my 30 days? Yeah. You got all the dates now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because my production date is this and my total total shelf life is 1 year, I know that I'm adding that and I'm getting the my expiry date. Agree? My expiry date. Yeah. And before the expiry date, I can sell only for 30 days before. Yeah. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So now I know I have no problem in receiving this product. Agree? Now you understood. I have no problem. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
I was
Now if
wrong.
I, yeah, no problem. Now if I change this to 2024, what do you think now? I have changed this
Sir,
data
it is
now.
expired now. Sir, now it is
Exactly.
expired.
Exactly. Now I'm changing this to 2024. Now you are saying, sir, you changed to 2024. This is already expired by 2025. Yes. And because it's expired by
Yes, sir.
25, the minimum shelf life based on this method, it should be only February of 2025, not after that. Yes. And you
Yes,
are
sir.
receiving it today. If you're receiving it today, definitely you're going to have an error now because this is past this date. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see this. So we got the 2024 here and we all good. Now let's do the check. See what is saying here? Oh, so this is the headache. This is the headache. You see the posting period, we have to go to MMRV, MMPV, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we'll do it later. Don't worry. I will do it and then we'll. So, but you understood this is not nothing related to shelf life. This is the MMRV, PV. You have to update the the posting period. Okay, we'll do that later. And offline, I will do that. I learned how to do in a table also this one. It's faster way. Okay, so once we do all that, then the error will come is this one. Agree? That is not accepting. It's showing you error of warning. Agree? Yeah, it's going to, once this is done, then it will show you that. Okay, so then it will show you that there is an error that because it's already expired and I'm not going to receive it. Everybody understood the control of shelf life when that posting period is gone? Yes. Ravi understood that part? Yeah, we will practice that in the next one, but I think the concept is clear why the error will come. Yeah, so shelf life is all, I think, good for now. Afifa, good. Shelf life, good. Yeah. Okay. Now the last point here is that if you get an error, and you say, oh, this error came, I want this error to be warning or message. Like there's a control you can do. Go to OMCQ. This is a very good one to remember. Okay, we'll do this later. Forget that one now. I will do it and I will post it. Okay, so then you go OMCQ. Srinivas, you're back. Okay, OMCQ. Okay, so now you see here. Now you see that the category here. You see message category and all. So what are you doing? See the production date and all the error coming. So whatever that error coming, this is the message number. You see whenever the error comes, there is a message number there, or Rabi, or yes or no? Yes. Whenever you see the error, there is a message number there. Yeah. Always there is a
Yes, sir.
message. So you find the message number, whatever the message number coming, and then you say, oh, I want that message number to be warning or to be error. I want to decide from here. You see, you can control that message number. A message number can be a warning or an error. You see? So you can decide the shelf life is a warning for the user, or is it an error for the user. Error means he cannot do anything. Warning means yes, is a yellow line. Yeah, yellow light. Yes, everybody understood now how you control that. When you receive an error here and you say that I want this to be an error and not pass, okay, then you take the message number from there, go to OMCQ, and then find that message number here. This is the message number. Find that message number and then go to that place and change that from warning to error. Everybody understood that? Rabia, that's good. Yeah, and save it. So the next time that message number coming, it will stop you and say here's an error. Okay. Okay. Everybody got that point now. So we have,
Yes, sir. So,
yes,
excuse me, sir. Sir,
yes,
we can configure this for errors we receive from from FICO site.
anywhere. Agree. This is the common one. OMCQ is common for all the errors, not only related to our topic. Yeah, you see all this here. You see?
Yes, sir. We face errors from FICO site, so we can
Yeah,
remove
we can remove.
these errors.
We can remove or not, because see, there's two parts here. One is if you remove it. For example, you say I don't want you to enter the shelf life. It's okay, but the system will not calculate everything. You see that problem? Yeah. So maybe you can change the error from error to warning, but if you don't have a GL account, will the SAP allow you to post anything without a GL account?
No.
No, there's no transaction going on there. Yeah, agree?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so I don't think just by changing the message from error to warning will allow SAP will allow you to post all the transactions. Yeah, without the the FICO data. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a good way, but I'm sure that SAP will not allow you to complete the transaction if there is a mandatory field required. Yes. If an optional field required, okay, error warning, okay, optional field. Yeah. Like for example, purchasing group. Purchasing group. Do you want to set it as a mandatory or an option? It's okay. Yeah. Agree? The SAP will not hold you accountable for, oh, you didn't enter the purchasing group. You can set it as an error or a warning. That's okay for you. Yeah, whatever you want. Agree? But if it is a mandatory field, I think SAP will stop you. Agree? Because it's not going to complete the transaction. Okay. I think what I was expecting, it's class of what? 11, 12, more than 3 hours class, Rabia. Can you believe that? Oh. So we have
Sir, you can teach more 2 hours.
That's what I'm saying. I'll keep drinking my tea and going on. Okay, good. So I think we'll stop here. Tomorrow we will do business partner. Let me stop the recording here. I think that's what I was trying to get the material. Material master is a huge topic and there's a backlog there. I don't want to, because Rabia, you know, we have to complete this course in 3 months, you know, and to complete in 3 months without diluting the content, we need to push ourselves. Agree?